Can you please let me know what are the things we learned in the last class, yesterday's class? The topic wise, the topic by topic wise. Just you guys can just send that message in the chat box. Yes, one by one. Any of the topic. Yes, audio video tags. Good. Next. Apart from audio video tag, next anything else we discussed? The basics about HTML. What is the tags? What is the different tags we discussed? Correct. Next. Next. No. Try. Yeah. How the tags created brings you to prospect of the content. So we saw that many of the tags, right? See if I can open this one. If I can open this one, not this. Yeah. If I can open that and if I can maximize it, yes. See, notice these are the things. List we saw that, table we saw that, and H1 heading tag, paragraph tag, break tag, body tag, head tag, title tag, and break, horizontal, see paragraph, and these are the things. See, and H1, H2 to H6 tag, and how to use table tag, what is table row, table heading, and table data, what is column span, what is row span, cell padding, cell spacing, list, and how many types of list we have, ordered list and unordered list. And in ordered list, what are the things we can see? Number, Roman numbers, alphabets. Correct? Did we saw all those things? Right? We saw that all these things, correct? Yes or no? Then again, also we saw that how to use unordered list, right? Circle, disk, square, all the things, right? So, and along with these things, also we saw that what is this? Audio and video tag, correct? Audio and video tag, we saw that, right? Any other things we saw? These are the things we saw, right? Yesterday's class. And yes, we started with form tags. Correct? We started with what? Form tags, right? Yes or no? Just we started with the form tag, but we did not complete all these things, right? We started with the form tags. And along with that also we saw and how to use the link tag and how to upload the image tag, right? How to upload the image, how to upload the link, and what is symbols and emojis. Okay, emojis, how to create an emojis. These are the things yesterday we saw that. Correct? These are the things we saw it in yesterday only. Correct? Yes. Yeah. See, then after this one, see, and remember these things, audio video tag, it came in HTML5. See, they will ask us, what is the difference between HTML and HTML5? HTML and HTML5. Okay, see, HTML5 is an advanced version. Okay, HTML5 is an advanced version. See, some of the tags were extra added. See, what are the tags extra added? See, audio video tag. Just for this example, just which we saw this, audio video tag, they added extra things here. Okay, they added extra things here, audio and video tag. Okay, see, in HTML, previously it was not there. It was not there previously. They added extra here. Understanding? Yeah, some of the tags also they removed. Where in HTML5? See, example, iframe or center. Okay, these are the tags they removed, and they added some extra tags here. See, which we call as header tag. Okay, I'll speak about later this one. Okay, I'll speak about later this one. Okay, header tag. We call as what? Header. One second, right? Okay. Yeah. See, header tag and footer tag. See, there are many tags are available that I will teach you that. Okay, some of the tags they added extra things in HTML5. Some of them they removed in HTML. Okay, they removed some of the tags. See, these all the things we'll see one by one. Okay, for a while, just we'll go with the form tags. Understanding? Okay. Understanding that everyone? Okay. Yeah. See, fine. See, before directly jumping into the next topic, just wanted to check from you guys. Do you guys having any doubt in the yesterday class? Hope all clear yesterday's one. Hope everybody cleared with the yesterday's topic. Hope everybody cleared with the yesterday's topic, whatever we discussed. Hmm? Yes. Yes. Super. Fantastic. See, now we'll see about this. Yeah, we'll see about the form tag. Okay, we'll see about the form tag now. See, now I just minimizing this one. Okay, again I'm coming inside this, and I want to be open Visual Studio Code. I want to open the Visual Studio Code, but I don't know how to open the Visual Studio Code. Can someone help me now? How to open? Code space, dot. Correct. See, when I can execute this one, notice, yes, this is coming for us, right? This Visual Studio Code I can able to open when I can mention this one called as what? Code space dot. Perfect. Yes, correct. Okay. See, now I will come back. See, demo 8 is done. See, now what I will do, I'll click on demo 9.html. So it is demo 9.html. I'll mention as a document here. I'll remove this unnecessary or just whatever I don't want it that one. See, notice carefully. I will take div. See, div is also kind of a tag. Okay, it is kind of a division tag we call. Okay, see, division tag we call. Understanding? Instead of writing that directly here, see, or instead of writing in a p tag, okay, what we do instead of writing in a p tag, see, there is a one tag for us, extra tag, which we call as what? Div tag. Okay, that also we can able to use the div tag. See, let us take a div tag this one only, but I will explain what is the use of it and how to use that one. Okay, I'll explain this one, how to use and when to use all the stuff. Okay, fine. See, and before this one, I want to enter the username. Okay, see, I want to enter username. See, going back to the same position, demo 9. See, username is coming, but I want the input. I want to take the input from the user. See, when I can take it input, see, I will not mention what type it is. It might be text or it might be anything, but I'll not mention anything. See, will this be executed? Will this be executed? Yes. And notice that one. See what will happen. See, notice this. What will happen here? See, even without mentioning, anything, still it is coming output. See, by default it is a text. Either you write manually, either you don't write manually. By default it is a text only. See, by default it is a text. See, it is coming here. I can able to enter whatever I want. Correct? See, such as this, how I am taking this username, right? I want to take a password. See, here I will call input type is equal to text. See, suppose if I can take the input type is equal to text, notice I wanted this one down. What to do for this? If I want down that one, then I have to use what I want to use. BR. BR stands for what? Break. It will come down. Is it coming down? Yes. Okay. See, I will enter this username. See, I will enter this name is equal to Tanesh and password is equal to Tanesh. See, when I can enter password is equal to Tanesh, see, password should not be visible, right? Password should not be visible, but still it is visible for us. Correct? It is visible for us. I don't want to make it hidden. Then I want to make it as password. See, when I can make it type is equal to password, notice here. See, name we can write anything, but password. Notice. Can you able to see the password now? Can you able to see the password now? No. Okay. When you mention type is equal to password, suppose if you can take it here, type is equal to text, then you can see the password here. See, you can see the password as well. But when you can mention this one, type is equal to password, see, no one can able to see this one. See here, name and here. See, I cannot able to see that. Understanding, right? This one, name is equal to password, type is equal to password. Clear? Clear, everybody? Okay. How this is executing? Clear, right, everyone? Okay, good. See, name is equal to, we call as what? These particular things. Okay. Yeah. See, then, see, these are all the things. What tag we call as? All these things we call as what? Form tag. See, form tag is mandatory. Remember, if we are not entering this one, you cannot able to work this further things. We must have to write this form tag is compulsory for us. Okay, again repeating, form tag is compulsory. We have to use form tag compulsorily. Okay, I'm closing the chat box. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, see then, notice here, I will call again. I wanted to enter email. Okay, I wanted to enter an email. See now, input type is equal to text. See, if I can take it, input type is equal to text. Okay, see, if I can take this input type is equal to text. Okay, notice here, if I can take input type is equal to text, see, I can able to enter even email as well. Okay, but I just meanwhile I will take two buttons. See, input type is equal to submit. Okay, na? Input type is equal to submit, and I will call input type is equal to reset. Okay, notice here, when I can execute this one, there will be two buttons. One is submit button, one is reset button. Okay, see, that's the submit. I don't want a submit button. I want this value is equal to register. Register button. See, hence I will call value is equal to register. See, like this. See, reset or close, whatever you want it. Understanding this one now? See, now again I'm putting a break. See, hence it will little bit come down. See, like this. See, when I can take it, input is equal to Tanesh and password, some password and year. See, Tanesh. See, but will it be right this one or wrong? See, this is the email format. Is this will be the email format? No, right? If I want to say email, there must be at least at that symbol and followed by uh, followed by dot. Correct? Correct? Sir? Yes. See, then how to do that? How to do that? How to do that? I don't want to validate this one. You see, input type is equal to email. See, when I can take input type is equal to email, notice here. See, if suppose if I click this one, see here I'll enter this one Tanesh. Okay, I will enter this one as what something password. I'll enter this one also here. See Tanesh. See, when I can click on this thing, notice automatically it is coming. Please include @ symbol. See, please include @ symbol. Okay, and address followed by the dot. See, Tanesh, see, @ symbol and dot is missing. Correct? See, when I can enter this in Tanesh at gmail.com, see, g dot, anything, it must find dot and @ symbol. See, when I can click here, then something is happening. But simply if I enter this thing, it is not executing us. We must have to enter @ yahoo.com or anything you can enter. Okay, anything you can enter, still that will get executed. But there must be what? @ symbol. See, these things came in HTML file. See, some of the attributes they added in HTML file. What are the attributes? Input type is equal to email. They added in HTML file. HTML file. This input type is equal to email. They added in HTML file. Understanding, everyone? Understanding? Right? Okay, clear, right? So far? So far clear? Yes. See now, I want to enter the date of birth. See, simple example. What I will do, I will go back to. Let us take a simple example for other things. Okay. What we'll do, we'll open that Facebook. Okay. Shall we open the Facebook? See now, check out. See Facebook login or something like this. Okay, facebook.com. See, when I can click on this thing. Sorry, notice here. 1 second. What we call that? Okay. See, when I can click on this particular things, create account. See, when I can click on these things, notice here, what it is? Select. Can I able to see this one? Select? Okay, see, this is select. I want to select one number. Year also. I want to select month. I want to select year. Notice I want to select year. See, how to select all these things? See, we know how to take this one, first name, surname, this one, and this one. Okay, password. See, but I want to take the date of birth. See, date of birth. How to take the date of birth? See, here we have select. I have to select. See, what I have to select here? Notice when I can go back. See, it is coming here, but nothing is there inside that. Correct? Nothing is there inside that one. See, hence what we have to do? What we have to do? What we have to do for this one? I want even option also. Inside this, I want the option. See, 1. See, such as this, I can come back. I can able to mention many other things like this. 1. I will call 2. Okay, I will call 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I will call 8. I will call 9. I will call like this. Okay, see now when I can execute this one, notice, yes, is it coming drop down? Is it coming drop down? Yes. Yeah. See that some number is coming. See such as this what I will do, I want even what? See instead of this one month I want, right? I'll call Jan month. I'll call here Feb. I'll call here March. I'll call here April. Okay, I'll call May. I'll call June. Okay, then again July. Okay, I'll call August. I'll call September. See, kind of like this. Okay, see, when I can execute this notice, see here. See, I'll call Jan 5th. Okay, for March. Okay, besides what I want? I want the year. Right? See, what I do this for year, I'll come back, I'll add like this. Okay, see, I'll call 2001. I'll call 2002. Okay, I'll call 2003. I'll call here 2004. I'll call 2005. I'll call 2006. Next year 2007. I'll call 2021. I'll call 2022. See when I can execute this one, notice here it will come like this. See 5th Jan or 5th April. I'll call 2005. See I can register something. But notice here I have only limited numbers, correct? Yes. See, suppose when I can go to Facebook there, see when I can go to there, see we have many other things are there. See now from the so many years are available. See, can we add all those things here? Can we add all those things? Correct? See, suppose, see when I can see notice here we are till this one, see 31st. See when I can come to Jan. See when I come to Jan, see notice till 31st. When I can come to February, notice till we have 31st. See, if someone can enter till February 31 and 2005, see like this. Still, if I can click submit, it will be accept this one. See, they should not. It should not be there here till 25, 21, all the things. Correct? 31 Feb, it should not be there. Okay, but notice we can choose any numbers whatever you want here. Okay, we can choose anything, but it will take a lot of time to do all those things. Correct? It means that it might take lengthy code. Okay, see, let us assume this. Let us copy one more time same thing. See if I can execute this one in the browser. See, notice. See when I can refresh. Yeah. See, notice. Yes, it might come down, but notice these are some numbers is coming. I want to be add from the hundreds of here. I want to add like this. Yes or no? Correct. I want to add all these hundreds of line like this. Correct. But I don't want to add that one hundreds of line. See, notice here. Why from line number 14. From line number 14 to till I wasted even till more than 40 lines of code I just wasted because of that, right? I don't want that one. See in HTML5 they given some advanced version. What is that? What is that? Input type is equal to date. Notice here input type is equal to date. When I can click input type is equal to date, notice automatically the calendar itself it is coming calendar for us. See calendar. See the calendar is coming for us. See which year you want. See you want a 2024 Jan. Which one? See like this. Understanding everyone? Understanding? Okay, date of birth. See even though if you want something kind of a time also, see I can call time. See if you want the time also, now I'll call time, right? See here I'll call simple what? Input type is equal to time. See when I can click on a time, notice, yeah, it is coming this one also. See if I remove this one, see it will be like this. See, yeah, see time also I can mention. See whatever time I want. See 9 o'clock and 9 o'clock 15 minutes. When I'll call from 4, start with this one and this year. Okay. Yes, see, these are the things we can able to use all those things. Understanding? Yeah. See, this is input type is equal to date and input type is equal to time. This one we call. See, structure is how we are taking this one. See, like if I can consider this one, I want a registration page in HTML. See, when I can click on these things, if I can go to image, notice so many things are there. See, if you want to register the many things, like coming back, if I wanted to take something to register, let me take some beautiful one, or else more which is having highest things. Let me call which one. Yes, let us call this one only. Yeah. See, what all the things are available here? Yes. See, notice here, if I can click on these things, yeah, fine, something fine. Okay, see, city, course, and district. We done it. See, here we have something called as gender, right? This gender, how to take it? This one, gender. How to take this gender? Huh. We have, notice here, instead of this one select option, I remove this one. See, here we have a gender, right? Gender, colon. Input. Type is equal to, we have something kind of radio. We call radio button. Okay, so we call radio button. See, one is for what? I wanted to call something called as what I wanted to call? Mail I want to call. Okay, I wanted to call this one as mail. Okay, see, such a way this. One other thing, again input type is equal to radio. That one I should, what I should call? Colon female. Okay, see, when I can execute this one, notice here, it comes like this. See, what we call this one called as what? Radio button. Can you able to see this one, everyone? Radio button. Can you able to see everybody radio button, this one? See, by default, both is setting for us, but I don't want the both of us. See, I will call, here I will call name is equal to gender. Or anything you can call. Okay, name, you can call anything. But whatever you are taking this one and this one also must be same here. Then only that will get executed. See, when I can click on male, again if I can click on female, that will disappear. When it will disappear? If I take same name. If by mistake, if I take some different name, see, I add it as one. If I can check, notice, is it working? Is it working? No, that will not work. That name must be same. Either you take GN and here also must be what? GN. Then notice, yes, it will be fine. See, this one also and this one also. Okay. See, such as if suppose if I can click on come back and click on other. Okay, other. See, but still this one also works same. See, click on female, other, male, click on anything. See, click on anything. See, this will work. When you add name is equal to same thing, then only this will get work. This is what we call as what? Radio button. Input type is equal to radio. Understanding? Yeah. Okay. Yes. See, then subject. I'll call at the end. Again, I'll call break. See, now subject. Colon. See, now input type is equal to, see, checkbox. See, what is checkbox? See, when I can call checkbox here, I will call physics, or I'll call this one, yeah, physics. Okay. See, such as this, what I have to, I'll call some two, three subject. Okay. Okay, some 2, 3 subject I'll call. Which are the things? See, now physics I'll call, and I'll call this one called as what? Chemistry. I'll call this one mathematics. I'll call this one called as what? Biology. Okay. See, when I can call this one biology, see, now notice if I can execute this one, see, notice all this is coming. Physics, chemistry, mathematics. It is coming, right? These are things. See, here biology is also coming. See, when I can execute this one, physics, chemistry, and mathematics is compulsory. See, then either, let me take some 2 more example. Okay. See, here I'll call this one called as what? Bio. I'll call computer science. Then I'll call this one called as what? Statistics. I'll call this one electronics. electronics, all these things. Okay, see when I can execute it, see I can choose anything. If suppose if you wanted to become PCMB, physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, and PCMC, physics, chemistry, mathematics, computer science, and PCMS, statistics, and electronics, CE, PCME. See you can choose anything. See, but I want these three things should be compulsory. Mandatorily, I want to make it. See, by default, I will do. Notice checked. This one also checked. This one also checked. See, when you can refresh this one, automatically by default that will get checked. See, this is compulsory kind of a thing. Either you can uncheck this one, but yes, by default it will be checked like this. Understanding? Understanding this one, everyone? Correct? Yeah. See, this is subject we call. Okay. See, and such a way that see such a I'll call BR tag. Okay, BR tag. And coming back, see if suppose if you want, see I want to mention the color. Okay, see color. See again some many other advanced things are there given. See we can input type is equal to color. Okay. See if I can give this one, see check. See we have to write the logic for this thing. See when I can on click of this thing, take this color and apply this. See R means red, G means green, B means blue. RGB we call as red, green and blue. Input type is equal to color. Or see we have input type is equal to max or minimum. See I'll call this see min. Okay, I'll call this one input type is equal to what? Range. Okay, see I'll call colon max. See when I can use this one notice, so I can able to do this one. See minimum or maximum. See volume kind of a thing. See we call controls, right? Also we have, but we have to write a logic for this. We have to write a logic for the see, using JavaScript. We have to write a logic, but yes, see for a while we can see like this. See like example where we can able to see EMI calculator. I think somewhere I saw that EMI calculator. Okay, or any bank if I can consider that. Okay, somewhere we notice that one. See, yeah. See if I can click on these things. Notice, yeah. See this one. This is JavaScript logically written behind the scene, but yes, range input type is equal to what? Range. See, this is what input type is equal to what? Range. See the same range. These are the things what we call link. These are the things what we call as what? Link. Okay, when we can click, it will go to that particular place. Okay, this is what we call as what? Button. Okay, and we can able to click these all things. Anything you can able to click, whatever you want. This one, see it will go there. See, this is what we call as header. That we'll see that later on. Okay, but yes, this one we can do that. This is what we call as what? Radio button and checkbox. Radio button checkbox clear, right, everybody? How the radio button checkbox will get works? Clear? Clear out the radio button checkbox will get works. Clear, right, everyone? Yeah. Okay, super. Then if I want to add anything to that one, yeah, see, kind of a phone number. See, if you want to add a phone number also, they give an advanced thing. See, phone. See, if you want to add this one, see, input type is equal to, they given something called as what? Phone number or telephone number. See, they given something called as what? Number. So either instead of this one, you can directly can add number. Okay, see, you can directly can able to add this one called as what? Number. See, when I can use this one called as what? Input type is equal to number, see, automatically what? It will come as a number. See, you can able to enter only the numbers you can enter. See, you cannot enter anything apart from this. I am typing the character. See, I cannot able to enter the characters. Only the phone number we can able to enter. Only phone number. Apart from this, we can't do anything for extra things. Understanding how this thing is getting executing? See, that is what we call as what? Input type is equal to what? Input type is equal to number. Okay, number means what? Only it will execute only the number, anything else apart from that. Okay. See, you wanted see when you can go back to there. Somewhere we saw that, right? What we call HTML validator. See, yeah. See, when I can click on HTML validator, see there we saw that. See, I want to upload a file like this. See how to upload the file? Out. I want this one. See, then if you want that, what we can do? I will call file or upload. I will call. Okay, upload. Okay, upload. Okay, see now input type is equal to what? File. Input type is equal to what? File. See when I can use this one file. Notice, see when I can execute this one, see, yes, we can able to see this one, right? See, we can apply either it might be HTML file, or it might be one JPG file, or it might be any of this file we can able to upload. Okay, see, it doesn't mean that we have to upload only HTML or anything. We can upload anything whatever you want. Whatever I want, I can able to upload. See, input type is equal to what? We call as what? File. Understanding? Input type is equal to file we call. Okay, these are the things we call this one. See, you wanted to add an address for this. Okay, how to add an address? Address. See, if you want to add an address for this, we have field. We can able to come back and we can able to field set, or just we can able to use the text area. Okay, text area. See, when I can use text area, notice here first what will happen. See, it is coming like this. I can able to enter, but also I can able to mention how much rows I want. Okay, I want rows is equal to some. I'll call 50 rows. Okay, 50 rows. Notice here how it will execute. See, it is executing too much. I don't want this one. See, I'll call only 10 row. See now execute. Yes, it is coming 10 row. But such a I want even column also, right? See, column I'll call some 50 columns. I want. See, when I can execute this, see, it is coming like this. I can able to enter whatever I want, address. We call this one called as what? Text area we call. Address. See, text area we call this one. Understanding? We call this one called as what? Text area. See, this is input type is equal to submit, input type is equal to reset. Okay, all right. This is what we call as what? Sorry. Yeah, sorry. See, till this one clear? See, we can upload the color, minimum, maximum phone number, upload address, subject, gender, and as well as even what time, date of birth, all this. See, if you want to select drop down, then again we can come back. We have a select option. Select qualification. I'll call something qualification. Qualification. See, if I can click on this qualification, notice I wanted to select something. What? That option I'll give you. Okay, option I'll give you. See here, first I'll call BE. I'll call this option. Then I'll call again option. I will call this one. See now notice I'll call MTech. Okay, BE. I'll call MTech, or I'll call option. I'll call record. Option I'll call MBA. Okay, see, I'll call this one called some again option. Okay, I will call some different option. I will call. Okay, different option. I will call only just diploma. Diploma. See, something option I will call. See, I can able to choose anything whatever I want. See, I can choose this. What qualification I have? Clear? Huh? Select option. See like this. Do you have any questions so far? I'll take it one by one. How to set mandatory? What to set mandatory? Or how to set mandatory? Then we have to use checklist. See, if you want to set the mandatory, then you have to mention something called the word required. See, when I can mention required here, see, even if I can coming and clicking this result, see, we cannot skip this one. See, user has to must enter this value. See, then we can submit something. Okay. See now, without entering, if I'm trying to submit this, see, notice error. Means required. Required means mandatory. See, suppose if I can make this one also required. See, if I can make it that one also required. See, if I can click, see, error. Even if I enter this one, see, but password also must be required, right? See, password also error. If I can enter password, see, nothing is required now. Now it is fine. See, somewhere it is going, but as accepting. Okay, clear? Yes. Next, what question? It would be long list then. Yeah, yes, we have many other things are there like this. In this way, there will be a lot of code lines. Anyways, sort on it. Yes, we can able to sort on it. But these other things is mandatory. See, If suppose when I can go back to this particular things, okay, see how they written like this. See when I can go back, see when I can click on inspect, they also written these are the HTML code they written. See if you want this particular code, see which one. Say I wanted the very first one. See this is the code they given. See here they given what URL. Okay, see here they written all these things they written here. Okay, see they written this one, all these things, and here they are writing the logic. See validation somewhere they written. See validation by I don't know where they written. See this one they written. See and again coming back. See if they come back and I see here something. All the multiple options are available. Okay, multiple options are available here. See notice. See this all. See this is what paragraph. See coming back this paragraph. See in this paragraph notice, yeah, there will be one image might be there. See this one. See first one. See here we have image. See notice and this image. Okay, this image we have. Okay, see if suppose if I can come back and if I can remove this one, here one or two things. Okay, see if I can remove this one and if I can execute this one, notice if I can execute this, see there will not be the image. See there is no image. That one. See, kind of like this. Okay, see, we can see everywhere they have multiple images, they have multiple distinct HTML will be written over there. Okay, and if anything new, let's see it. The same thing, first name, last name, these are things. Okay, course, gender, phone number, address, email, password, everything we can do that. Okay, see here also the same thing, everything they given. See here, date, gender, and checkbox, all the things. Okay, and two buttons. Okay, you go wherever, see only these are the maximum things which they are going to execute it. Okay, only this maximum things, these are things they will take from us. Okay, see these are the things. Everywhere you go, just the same thing we used to do that. Okay, this is what we call as what form. Okay, see, these are the things form. When I can notice, yeah, when I can go back to browser and check, see, this will be the form. See what form it is, how to identify this. See, for that, if you really want this one, we can able to set the field set. See, what are the fields I want to set? Till this one, till this is one field. Okay, till this is one field. Okay, I will call this what I will call where I will field set, right? Yeah. See, now let me come back and I will close this field set. Okay, see, when I can go, notice it is coming like this field set. See, what will this be? Student registration or employee registration? What actually it is? I will call here something called as what? Legend. What is legend? I'll call student form. See when I can click on this one, see notice, yes, see legend will be like this. See automatically it will describe something for us. Understanding? It will describe something for us. Field and legend we call. Okay, field set. Yeah. Any other questions? Yes, but then again, does browser renders the date value or server application renders? See that whatever we take in local values will get renders. Okay, and again the next, how to automatically comes date and time format without assigning any of the values. See without assigning any of the values means by default it is coming in this particular format. Okay, when I can execute this, notice here when it as the DDMMYY format it is coming, but there as well, see when I can go to Facebook, there also they generally they give like this. Okay, see when we can click on these things, when we can click on this, see generally some number will be there. See we cannot able to keep it anything. See some number will be there by default. Okay, some number will be there. See based on this one, we have to choose ourselves that one. Okay, that particular thing is fine. Next, if we have any course, if there is any what, if I have to choose anything there only, yes, we can able to choose there. Can a single page web page have multiple forms? Yes, we can have multiple forms also. Single web page can have multiple forms. But remember, for this particular form, where actually it is going, see that we have to mention. Say action. When I can click on this one, I want to go register.java page. Okay, if suppose if you are using this one called what? JDBC or something servlet, it has to go to one form. Okay, register form. And again, see such as there might be another form, which we call as what? Again, there might be one form. Okay, there might be one form. Okay, see 1 second. There might be one form. Okay, there might be one form, and that form might be what? Action might be what? That might be action might be what? This might go to login page. See, but yes, we can have multiple logins as well. Multiple forms you can have. Yes, multiple form allowed. Okay, does data type considering here like a Java. No, nothing. There is no nothing like this. It was there is no nothing mandatory to mention as a data type or kind of like this. But as based on what type you will read the data, it must have to access service. See, input type if it is a file, only it will read the files. If it is a number, it will read only the numbers. If it is a range, it will show the range only. It will not show apart from anything. So these are the values will be saved. See, these are the values is not yet saved for us. Okay. But if you really want to know this, I can able to show how to pass the value to from front end to back end. I can how to store it. This one I can able to show it with you. The integration part. Okay, but yes, this is only pure front end. Okay, see, we can take all this value. Hope you guys have learned in Servlet or Spring MVC or in the Spring Boot. You guys might learn this one. Okay, these are how to take the value from front end to back end. They might taught you guys. Okay, but here we are learning purely front end. Okay, but yes, if time permits, I'll also go how to store the data from front end to back end. I'll also show that. Okay, then again, search is lengthy problem. No, see for that they given in terms of date they given as a input equal to date. Okay, how to get the value selected elements? We can able to mention as a if you want particularly if you want to identify this, we have an ID or using name also we can identify. We can using this ID also we can identify. That other things yes, we'll see it in JavaScript. If you want to set the limit of the calendar like the minimum and maximum age, see that we have to do the validation part using JavaScript. We can, but we have to do the validation part. What is you say that due tag? That due tag is nothing but what's kind of a one division we call. Okay. See, there are two things are there. See, one division I'll call something called as register. See, another division I'll call something called as what? Login. That I can do that. Okay. But what is it? It is not a proper file format. What is that? Not clear with the question. How to make it a bold letter? See, if you want to make it as a bold, for that we have B tag. See, we can able to use B tag. B tag means bold tag. See, qualification by default it will be what something kind of. See, not qualification. See, this one I'll make it as a little bit bold. See, like this, bold. Strong also we can use. ID is used in the front end. Yes, we can able to use the ID also. Name is used in the back end. No, nothing like this. See, ID name both we can able to use. Okay, I'll show when to use that one. Both ID and this one. Okay. When it comes to JavaScript, we'll see that. Okay, see the simple till now, whatever I discussed the form tag, hope all clear everybody, form tag. Form tag. Okay. Clear, right? See, no, notice here, see here we were creating like this, but how they created this one? They were using something in terms of table format. See, using the table, they were created in the very good look and feel. So I think yesterday we done it, right? I don't know whether it in the same file or I think 8, I guess, 8.html. Yeah, see here. We were using something called as what for this one? Table tag. See, we are using table and we are doing this one. Okay, we can able to use a table and we can able to do that one. See, that will work out for us. That we can do that. Clear, right, everybody? How this things form tag is getting executing for us? All clear? Legend should be bold. See, that also we can do that. But see, here specifically they given for this one, right? Then when to see why to take this one. See, if you want really bold this one, see, we can also mention this one B tag. See, which automatically will come in the bold color. Or if you want in any different things, also we can do all the stuff like 9.html. See, if I can see, also it will come. See, you are not satisfied with the things, you wanted in some different colors, this color is equal, style is equal to, color is equal to, you can call red color. See, that also it will come, if you can execute. Anything you can do that. See, bold color, red color, white color, whatever color you want, you can do that. Okay, see, this is an HTML, you can do whatever you want. See this particular div tag. See, if I can click, see, I want this one, see now, style. See, background color, I'll call yellow. See, I want to make this background color is equal to yellow. See, if I can make it background color is equal to yellow, notice? Yeah. See, it will only become yellow color. Not all the things. See, if suppose if I don't have this div tag, see, if I don't have this particular division, see, if I don't have this particular division, see, if I want to apply the background color, see, what I have to do? Is there any chances where I can able to apply the background color? No. I have only one option is what? I have to apply the whole background color. See, basic color is equal to yellow color. See, that I can do that. See, but I don't want it to apply whole background. I want to apply to only for this particular division. See, hence, instead of that one, what I will do, I will create a separate one div tag. Okay, separate one div tag. See, that div tag, I'll call all these things will be one div. Then for for this particular div, what I have done, I'll apply some background color if really I want. See, some style I will apply, whatever style I want. So I'll call the background color is equal to yellow color I want. Okay, yellow color I want. See, now notice, yes, it will be yellow color. Say I want it in the center as well. See now, align. Text, I can call align. Text align, I can call center. See if I can click on center, will it be there? Center, we call center. Okay, see when I can click on center, automatically these things will come and sit into the center part. This one like this. Okay, see really if you want this width as well, see width is equal to, if you want width, say I can call 500 pixel. Okay, if you really want to mention as a width is equal to, then I can mention 500 pixel. See like this. Okay, say I want in a little bit margin. See, these are the things will come under where in this what we call CSS. Okay, see if you want in the margin, see margin where you want to margin left, I will call 200 pixel. See margin left means it will give some space from the margin. See like this margin. You want from the top, then you can come back. See margin, I can call margin top some 100 pixel. See if I can execute this one margin 100 pixels. See from top it will come. See like this. See you can do wherever you want. Okay, you can do wherever you want. See background color yellow it is coming, right? See such as this for the whole background color I want. See background pink I want. See then it will come both things as pink and this color will be like this. See then how you want to design yourself as this one recession up to you guys. Okay, the simple one I given. Yeah, these are listed on. If you are really want this one, you can keep it, and else if you don't want, then you guys can skip this one. Okay. What I will do quickly, just I'll just for your reference, just I'm giving this. Okay, what I'll do, I'll paste it in the paste Ubuntu also. Okay, I'm pasting into the paste Ubuntu, and again copying this one and pasting the same link in the chat box. Okay. And listen here, if most of you, if you guys are asking me or if you guys are telling me to keep close this chat box, I can't address your questions. Okay. Then again, yes, I shared this one. Here also I shared it. And again, if you really want this code to the GitHub also, I will come back, stage this. I'll call form tag, form tag. See now, commit this one, committed, going back and pushing this code. See when I can push this code, yes, code is pushed. I will call git. Okay, core Java demos not the one. Okay, when I can come back, yes, when I can click on this one, notice yes, 20 seconds ago this demo 9 got updated. If really want this one, you guys can clone this. You guys know how to use the Bitbucket also. Which one? This one. Both the things I shared it. Okay. Okay. Okay, but anyways, that GitHub link I'll share through the drive as well. But for a while, just have a look into it. Okay, just I given only this much first. You guys can just quickly execute this one. Okay. See now the time is what 1950 means 7:50. I will give you 3 minutes of time. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes of time. Please execute everybody. Please execute everybody. Okay. And meanwhile, if you guys having any doubt, you guys can feel free to ask me now. Yeah, quick. Okay, first everybody go through it and revise everything once. If you guys having anything, ask me the questions, I'll answer it. Yeah, quickly go through it. Once you're done with it, let me know. party, which one you cannot able to access that? I just given both the things. GitHub link also I just given, and also I given you the page Ubuntu link also. Both are public. You can access. Okay. If you guys are not created an account, you create an account and access it. See, setting the logic of these things, see, that all things will come to JavaScript. See, now still we are in only static web page. We are not dealing with any of the logic yet. Okay, but yes, we will deal with the logic in JavaScript, not in the HTML only. Okay, we'll deal with all the things, but in HTML, so not in HTML, but in JavaScript. Hmm. And also we know how to add the Google Map, right? Yesterday we saw that how to add the Google Map. How to add the Google Map. These are the things we saw that yesterday. Yeah, quickly revise everything once again. Just I'm giving you 1 more minute. Fast. So pardon everyone. If any questions or if anything, please do let me know. If anything, do let me know. Okay. See, so far fine, right? Hope everybody understood all those things. Clear? clearly understood? Or if you guys having any questions anywhere, you guys can feel free to ask me. I'll explain. Okay? Yeah, perfect. See, no doubt. Okay, yes. See, some of the things I directly cannot explain in only in HTML, but definitely I'll explain this one using HTML along with CSS or along with JavaScript. Okay. But if I'm not able to explain in directly in pure HTML, but definitely I'll cover all those things in along with this what? JavaScript. Okay, that vanilla JavaScript is different. We don't want to talk about that one now. Would you like to recommend us some books? See, we have many of the websites for us. We can go through it, and also I think Simplilearn might give you some of the notes also, PPT also, all those things. If they given, then you guys can go through that one. Okay, but rest of the thing is how much you will put an effort and how much you will practice it. That is what the rest of the things important. Okay. See, for a while, we don't have any database to store all those things, right? We don't have any database to store all those things. Like example, see, if suppose, see when I can come to back full stack, okay, if I can come to full stack, see if I can come to full stack, what I'll do? Okay, see what I'll do? See, again I'll come back, see this is what the front end. See, using an HTML, we do the front end. See, using the CSS, I can do the style. See, like it might be background color. Okay, it might be background color. Okay, it might be background color. It might be margin, or it might be padding. See, that I'll discuss anyway. That might be padding, or it might be size. Okay, it might be font. Okay, it might be space. Okay, it might be anything. Okay, it might be space. See, it might be space, and or it might be anything. It might be width. Okay, it might be width or it might be height. It might be anything. See, here I came, right? See, when I can come to username, see, notice here when I can come to username, where it is, yeah, see username. See, I wanted to create little bit bigger. So I am not satisfied this one. So I wanted to create little bit bigger. Then I want to write a style for this. See, rest everything is what style. How you want this one style. See, style. I want this one width is equal to something I'll call 300 pixels. So I wanted to write a 300 pixel width. See now, notice. See when I can execute this, it is becoming like width it is getting for us. Correct? See if you want the meanwhile, if you want the height also, we can do even height also. See, comma height also we can do. See height also I'll call some 40 pixel height. See if I can execute this one. See notice it was coming something 40 pixel height. See 40 pixel height is coming. See if I want this border radius. See I'll call border radius. I'll call 10 pixel. See when I can call 10 pixel, see notice it is coming little bit curved border. See, notice carefully. See curved border. See the rest is what? How you are feeling. The rest is look and feel. How you wanted actually. We can design anything however I want. But rest is what? Rest is what? Huh? What is rest is what? We call that one called as what? CSS. That we'll see the later part. But yes, see what is HTML? What is HTML? HTML is nothing but what? What is HTML? HTML hypertext markup language. See what to display. Just what to display on browser. Okay. What about CSS? CSS is about how to display. Style. Style we call, right? Or look and feel. Look and feel we call. Okay. But JavaScript we call it validation. That we'll see when it comes to there. Okay. Validation or client. We call many things for it. That we'll see the later. See, once if we done all these things from the HTML, we have to pass all those values to Java. From the Java using JDBC topic. Using JDBC topic, we are going to store the data into MySQL, or it might be Oracle, it might be anything. It might be anything. We are going to store the data into some different database. This is what we call as what full stack. Okay, we need a server. All the things we do later on in between. But yes, for a while simply we are working with only the front end part. Okay, front end part. In the front end part, till HTML says that along with this we call Angular will be the front end. Angular will be what? Advanced version we call. Angular will be front end. Okay, listen carefully. See, if you want to understand these all the things, you must be good in all those things. Okay, you must be good in all these things. Okay, anyways, that I given. See, once if we, okay, see, hope if you guys are understood about this one, then I'll move with the further things. Okay? Yes. See, how to connect with the database, that will, yes, that definitely I'll explain that one, okay? That definitely I'll explain in the next class, how we can able to see. First, what you guys have to do, you guys have to be very much thorough. You guys have to be very much clearly understood about all things, how we can able to create the front-end design. So you should be comfortable to create attractive and good website in the front end. See, rest everything, integration or connection, all things I'll explain that one. It might be using servlet, or it might be using what we call. It might be using Spring Boot, or it might be using Spring MVC. Or it might be using that. I will show it just in 1 or 2 hours I'll take and I'll explain that one. But meanwhile, using only pure HTML, how to design the front end part, that is what important. That is what you guys have to learn in this class. Okay. Yes, there are many other things. Okay, in this HTML, there are many other things like scaling HTML5 in form tags. See, in form tag, see, by default, in HTML5, see, notice, see, range, okay, or it might be date, or it might be what, file, or it might be what, number, it might be what, email. Okay, these are the things where it came in HTML5. They will ask, what are the extra attributes they given in HTML5? HTML5. So you have to, you guys can able to tell in these all things in form tag. Okay, clear? Fine. See, but if you really want to store the data into the storage, but don't have any database to store now for a while, I'll call demo den.html. Okay. But notice here, if you really want to store the data, we have an option where I have an option that one I can able to store the data using what? Some local storage. Okay, we call something called what, local storage, session storage, all that. But for a while, just to have an information, just I'm sending you guys, just I'm giving you guys. Okay, input type is equal to text. Okay, I'll call name is equal to uname. Okay, and again br tag, and again pass, again input, I'll call input type is equal to same text only. Input type is equal to same text only. Name is equal to you pass, I'll call. Okay, you pass only, I'll call. Yeah. See now. Okay, now I'll call input type is equal to submit button. Okay, input type is equal to submit button. Value is equal to register or store, I'll call. Okay, store. See how to store that one in local storage, I will store it. Okay, see, I'll call demo 10, right? See, I'll call demo 10.html. Okay, demo 10.html. See, I will enter Tanesh and I'll enter something password 1 2 3. Say I want to store this one. Where to store this? See, notice, can you able to see an inspect element? When I can click on inspect, here we have an option. What option we have? Application. I have to click on application. See, notice here we have these things. Okay. See, listen. See, instead of this, I'll call Ramesh and I'll call 1 2 3 4 5. See, when I can click on store, is it storing? No, it is not storing that one. Okay, it is not storing that particular things. Whatever you're clicking, that is not storing. I want to set this one. How to set? See, for that one itself, we have to write a script, which we call as JavaScript. Okay, that we see that later on. When I want to call these things, on click of this button. See, on click is an event. Okay, event. Something will, when to store this data. On click of this one, I have to store, right? See, on click of this means what? I have to take an event. On click. What I want to call? I want to call some ABC function. Where I have to write this ABC function? Logical ways. See here. How to write a function? Function ABC. I have to write like this. Okay. See, this one, right? I want to identify this one. ID using uname. See, I want to identify this one. ID using upass. I want to identify this one, username and pass. Select. Then I want to get this one. See, document dot get element by ID. Based on ID, what ID I taken here? Upass. See, upass. I taken this one, and I will store it in. I just, whatever we are getting all the value, I am just taking this one called as what? What I'm taking? Name. Such as this, I'll call password. Okay, I'll call password. Pass I'll call. Okay, and I'll call you pass. Okay, see, just to check whether really it is coming username password, we have an alert. See, alert. Hi. See, notice. Hi. My name is colon comma name. See, let's see it. Okay. Now coming back to the browser. Yeah. See, notice I'll enter Tanesh. Password I can enter anything. See, when I can click, see, my name is Tanesh is not printing, right? See, I think it might be not the Python. This is a JavaScript, right? Here. See, plus. Now coming back. See, Tanesh. Click on this. See, my name is Tanesh. It is coming. Means we know how to take the value from this one to script. Okay. But here I want to store the data. How to store the data? Local storage dot set item. What to set? What I want to set an item? I want to set this name. Okay, I want to set the name. On what name I want to set? On what name I want to set? That I can call username. Okay. See, this one I can able to set the username. See, now when I can come back, notice here, just refresh this one. Just refresh this. See, when I can refresh this one, see, notice I'll call this one called what? Suresh. Suresh. See, when I can click on this, see, I think when I can come back, what I taken? Username is not Suresh. It's not stored at. No, 1 minute. Going back, username, right? Anything here? Yeah, they are also fine. Local storage, right? 1 second. 1 minute. This is fine. Local storage. Do I want to give even the double quotation? This one also. I don't think this one also required for double quotation. Let me check this. If I can take that, that will consider as a value only. 1 minute. See, now I'll call this one called as what? Ramesh. Ramesh. I'll call this name. It is coming, but I don't want the name. I want this the dynamic name, whatever we are storing this one, right? For us. This might be this one. Set item. It has to store. Let me check. Refresh it. No, I'll call Rajesh 1111. See store. And I can go back. See Rajesh, it is coming. Means yes, see here also we have a storage kind of a thing. Local storage, session storage, all the things. But if I can store it in the local storage, it will be the permanent here. It will not, even if I can close this and if I open this data will not get erased. See, if I store it in the session storage, it will be only available till I close this one. Okay, till I close this one. Session means only until the session has to be executed. If I can close this, the data will get erased. If I can store it in local storage, the data will be permanent. Then which is better? Local storage or session storage? Which is better? Session or local? Which is better? Session storage or local storage? Which is better? Obviously, local storage, because it will be permanent storage. Okay, not the it will be permanent, but it will not be much security. But if you want to store something, you will better prefer local storage. Okay, just for your information, just I explained that one. Okay, and how to add a Google Map, these all the things. Okay, how to store it in locally. But anyways, in future, we are going to be store the data in where? Where we are going to store the data? Inside backend database. Okay, backend database, we can able to store the data. Okay, clear? Okay. Yes. Anything question? Any question? Uh, 1 second. What is that? Storage in local. Yeah. MySQL. Okay, it can be anything. Okay. Can you show the code, please? Yes. Yes, cookies recall. Correct. So using this one, we can able to store the data. But yes, when it comes to JavaScript, we can also see what is this get element by ID, get element name, all the things. I will explain that. Okay, if you really want to check this quickly, just I'm sharing this one. See, but make sure this where to run this one. That is what important for you guys. Sorry, that is what important for you guys. Okay, I will coming back. Okay, yes, pasting the code, copying this, copying that, and just sending in the chat box also. Just for your information, if somebody wants to check for a while, quickly have a look into this. How to check it? How to check this one? Again, repeating. See if it is closed here. Now right click. Notice carefully. Right click. Inspect element. Here we have applications, and here will be local storage. See, session storage and local storage. See, you can click and pass the value. See, here I'll call A. Then you can pass the value directly. You cannot able to see this one. What are updated one? Come back and go back again. See, it will be there. It will be updated. Local storage we call. See, they might ask what is the difference between local storage and session storage. See, local storage will be permanent. Session will be, it will be exist the data until you close the session. Okay, after it will not be available. Clear, right? Okay, fine. See, if you want to draw anything, I want to draw some circle or something kind of like this. Okay. See, if I want to draw something, what we have for this? Can we directly draw something here? I want the circle. I want to draw the circle. If I want to draw the rectangle. Okay, I want to draw star. I want to draw some. I want to create my own logo. See how I can able to draw all those things. We have for these things we have SVG. Notice here when I can click on SVG, what I want to create? I want to be create as a circle. What you want to create? I want to create circle. CIRCLE. Correct. I want to be create a circle. Okay. See, for if I want to say circle, there will be x-axis, correct? There will be x-axis, and there will be a y-axis, correct? And there will be a radius as well, correct? There will be radius also. These all things will be there. See, here I will call this one in this one circle x-axis, circle y-axis, and radius. See, I will call circle x-axis I want 50. Okay. See, such as even y-axis also I will call 50, and radius I will call some 50. Okay. See, when I can execute this one, notice demo 12, right? See, when I can call this one demo 12.html. See, demo 12.html. Anything wrong? DOME. Sorry, spelling mistake. DOME. See, can you able to see this one diagram? See, everything it is coming by default. See, x-axis, y-axis, and this one it is coming. Correct? Can you able to see this one, everyone? How the circle is coming, right? But I want this one some different color. I want. See, I want a stroke color. See here we have STROK. Stroke. I want the stroke. Which color I want? Red color I want. Okay, I want in red color. I want the stroke. See, when I can execute this one, is it coming? See, can I able to see the red color is coming for us? So I want a little more width. See what width? See stroke. Stroke width. See stroke width. I want something. I'll call 5. So I want little bit width that one. See, I want the little bit size. See, like this. Can I able to see this one? Let me reduce some radius. Yeah. Notice like this. Okay. See, I don't want the black color. I want to fill that one. I want to fill inside this one called as what? I want to fill that some yellow color. Yellow color. See, notice it will come yellow color inside that. Correct? Correct? Any studying everyone? Okay. See, This is what like this. No, I don't want this a rectangle. See, I don't want the rectangle. Sir, I don't want the circle. I want this rectangle. See, RECT rectangle we have. Okay, see, in this rectangle, what actually how much width you wanted? See, width is equal to, I'll call some 300 pixel. Okay, I'll call some 300 pixel. Okay, see, now such as this, I'll call height is equal to, I'll call also something 200 pixel. See, notice here when I can execute, is it coming anything for us? Is it coming anything for us? No, right? Everything is fine. Okay, also, I'll also, instead of this one, I'll also mention the size here also. Okay, how much I want this one, width and height. Height spelling HCIGS, right? HCIGST, correct? I think now it might come. Yes, it is coming now. See, if I don't want like this, width is equal to something 200, height is equal to something 100, small one I want. See, yes, it is coming this much like this for us. Okay. See, if you want this one, we can able to do all these things, whatever we want. See, if you want the same thing, come back. See, rest is what trial and error. See, how much you guys really want to know that. See, like this. What color you want to be filled, blue color or parrot green color. You can print anything, whatever you want, blue color. I want yellow border. Strike must be what? Yellow color. Yellow color. You can mention the yellow color border. See, like this. See, these are the things we call as what? What we call this one called as what? Hmm. We call this one called as what? SVG. If you really want, see, this is what like this. Okay. See now, see such a see. I want the same rectangle only. I want the same rectangle only. Okay, I'll call. Okay, I'll call the rectangle only. But x-axis I want 50, y-axis I want 50. And if you want this one, see one more. See, if really want to know more about this one, see if you want to design some different things, also we can able to design. See, we have an option for that. We can design. But for a just to show that if somebody asks you what is that SVG, using an SVG we can able to create our own logos. Scalar, vector, graph. Graphical design. See graph. We want this one in the square or rectangle or circle. See these are the things we can do it. Okay, if we can go with this little more deeper, we have many other things in this, but yes, just for your information, if you want to create your own logos kind of things, we can able to design in this manner. Okay, see just for your information, just I'm giving you like this. Okay, and also just passing the link with you guys. Quickly copy the link and just run that and just check. See also meanwhile, I will come back. I will also comment the code. SVG comment, coming back, push the code. So now I'm pushing the code. When I can push the code, I think it will be available in where? In this one. See, demo 10. Refresh. See, here we have, it was there 9 and now I added 12. See, that is what we call about SVG. See here. We can see this one SVG part. See, just for your information, just I executed. Quickly have a look at it and we'll go back and we'll see other things. Demo 13.html. Okay, just quickly have a look at it. Quickly have a look into it, everyone. I'll give you 1 minute time. Quickly copy that and just check. Run. GitHub link, if you guys want that, copy this one and I'm pasting it here. This is a public one. Anybody can copy and anybody can execute it. Once you're done with that, let me know. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. See, notice I'll call this one called as what? D, right? This one. Okay. Let me create a folder. I'll call CSS demo. Okay. Inside this one, I'll create a demo1.html. HTML. See, such as this, I'll call demo2.html. Okay. Demo3.html. Okay. Na? See, there are how many files are there here? In CSS. Okay. See, now what I will do, I'll go back. I'll open this one here. CSS demo code space dot. Open it in this particular folder. See, how many files are there here? How many files I created so far? In the CSS, 3 files I created, right? I just created only 3 files. Remember, I just created only 3 files. Correct? Okay. See, now what I will do in this particular one, in this particular demo1 file, I have an HTML file. Okay, HTML file, still h1 tag. Okay. Hi, welcome to web application. Okay, application. Page 1 I call. Okay, page 1 I call. Okay, now see, notice here. See here, coming back, I'll calling this one multiple times. Okay, same thing I'll call, but here I'm pasting it here. Okay, see, wherever I have one, I'll add two. Okay, wherever I have one, I'll add two. Okay, I'll add two. Okay, let it be anything. Fine. See, I'll call two. I'll call two. I'll call two, 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 and two. Okay, na? So same thing, I'll also go back and I'll call three. Okay, wherever we have three. Okay, see, let me remove some of the things. I don't want it. Yeah, let me call this one also three and three and three. Okay, see, now if I can go back, CSS demo, right? Going back to the folder here, I will call this CSS demo slash demo1.html. Yeah, can you able to see this one? Either you can able to execute demo1 or coming back execute demo2 or execute demo3. So execute demo3, still everything will be same. See, if I can execute demo1, if I execute demo2, page 2 will come. If I can execute demo3, sorry, demo1, it will come like this. But I wanted to apply the style for this demo1. See, wherever I have an h1 tag, I want the color is called red color. See, style color is equal to I want the red color. See, when I can execute demo1, notice here first one is coming red color. Is it coming red color? Is it coming red color? Yeah. See, such as this I wanted in the second one also. See, I wanted even second one also, or I wanted in the fourth one also, or I wanted in fifth one also. I wanted everywhere as red color. See, now I can able to do this red color. Correct? Yes or no? Yeah. See, this is what we call as inline style sheet. Inline style sheet means what? Inline style sheet means in every line we used to write a style tag. Style as an attribute. Okay. Style as an attribute. Here we are writing the style as an attribute. See, hence, notice here, we are writing the style in line. We call inline style sheet, we call. Okay. See, if I apply this style for this first or second one, see, will it be applicable for third one? Is it applicable for third one? No. See, what if I want to apply the style for this third one also? What if I want to apply the third one also? See, again, I have to write what? Style for that, right? See, style is equal to, again, color is equal to red color. See like this. See when I can come execute, now it is coming as a red color. See 1, 2, 3, 4 is fine. See what about fifth? What if I want fifth one? Again I have to come back. See write like this, style is equal to color is equal to red color. Notice it is coming still red. See what if I want last three things? Do I want to write this one style for it here also? Correct? We have to write a style here also, right? See, I don't want to write the style in every line. I don't want to use the style in every line. Hence, I will write the style as a using style tag. For this we call as what? Internal style sheet or embedded style sheet. Again repeating, one is what? Inline style sheet, which is nothing but what? In every line or line level style sheet we call as what? Inline style sheet. One more is called as what? Internal or embedded style sheet we call. See where we write an embedded style sheet? In style tag. See, I will select when it comes to H1 tag. When it comes to H1 tag, I want background color is equal to red color. See, then you don't want to apply the style in every line. You just add wherever you want, it is coming. See, so I added a background color, right? I don't want to add the background color. I want to add only the color. See, now notice, yes, it will come only color like this. See, it might be one hundreds of this one. You don't want to add this one anything. You don't want to add this one again and again. See, now come back and paste it. See, now execute this one. Notice, you just add thousands of line, automatically it will coming. Is it coming automatically like this? Yes or no? This is what we call as what? Embedded or internal style sheet. See, it can be any style. It can be any style. See, I'll call this one called as a font. I'll call this one called as what? Font style. See, I can call font style italic. I want the italic. Everywhere I want the italic. See, italic is coming. It can be any style. Or if you want to do the font size, see font, I'll call font size. Or large I'll call. See, it might be small. Okay. Or if you want a specific size, I'll call 30 pixel. If you want to mention the pixel size, see, you can mention like this. Or if you want this 50 pixel, you can mention the 50 pixel also. See, you can mention anything, whatever you want. But yes, any style, but it will be applicable for throughout the page. Correct? Yes or no? This is what we call as what? Embedded or internal. See, whatever we return the style, will it be applicable for demo 2? Will it be applicable for demo 2? Will it be applicable for demo 2? Or only for demo 1? That is only for demo 1, right? See, what if you want to apply the demo 2? What if you want to apply that for the demo 2? Again, I have to come back. I have to copy this style. Correct? Mr. Here. See, then this might be what? Embedded. See, this will be what? Again, it will be red color. See, like this. See, will it be applicable for demo 3? Will it be applicable for demo 3? See, definitely no. So, what I have to do? Again, I have to go back. I have to paste it inside even. Where? Where? In as a style tag. Embedded. See, when it comes to H1 tag, I want this color is equal to red color. Okay, see, when I can execute this one, see, notice it will become what? Red color. See, now we go with any of the page, automatically that will come as what? See, demo 2. Or also you can go back and you can use demo 1. Okay, see, it will come as everywhere will be same. Okay, see, Tanesh, why to write everywhere again style tag and again everywhere style tag like this? See, that is not recommended to write all those things, right? I don't want to write all this stuff, nonsense, either inline or anything. I will write a separate CSS file. I'll call demo css.css file. Okay, when it comes to H1 tag, I want this color is equal to blue color I want. See, if it is a blue color, see now check out, is it coming any blue color? If I refresh it, is it coming any blue color? Is it coming any blue color? No, right? See, I want to be link this demo file to here. How to link this We have which tag? Link tag. See what we are linking this one? What we are linking? What we are linking is that file. How to write the file? Yes, sir. What is the file name? What is the file name? What is the file name? Huh. File name is what? Demo css.css. See if I link this one, now it will come. No. Is it coming? No. See, it might be because of the something else. See, let's check out this demo2.html. Is it coming? No. See, let's check out with the demo3 then. Is it coming? No. Because what is this relationship? Is style sheet. When I can mention style sheet, now notice, yes, it is. 1 second, anywhere wrong. Style relationship, okay. Nothing like this. Style sheet. Okay, sorry. I am just only mentioning demo 1, right? See, when I can go back and execute in demo 1, notice, yeah, it is coming in demo 1. See, same thing if I link this one to what? If I link the same thing to where? In demo 2. See now, if I can execute demo 2, now check out, if I can execute demo 2, see, it will come in the demo 2. See, but not in demo 3. See why? I haven't added in demo 3. If suppose if I add in demo 3 and if I refresh this, now notice, yes, it is coming. Okay, it is coming. But same thing. See, I wanted to upload some style for different style. I am not satisfied with this particular one font thing. Okay, font style. I want to change the font style. I don't want to do the changes in everywhere. Only simple font family. I'll call or font family or font you can call font style you can call. Okay, font style. If I can pick font style italic. See now everywhere it automatically will come in italic. See here also see italic. Here also italic. See fraction of second you can able to change anything. See yesterday someone asked the same question. Sir, when we can able to write the style in a same HTML page, it might be inline style or it might be embedded. Then why to go for external style sheet? Because of these things. See, write only once, you can import wherever you want in any of the HTML page. You can execute in thousands of HTML page. Instead of writing in every thousands of HTML pages, same logic, write once and only link this one to every HTML page. Clear everybody? Clear everyone? Okay, see hence this is powerful. Understanding? Writing the CSS will be different. See, writing one separate file, then copy that. How to copy this one? Just only import like this. Clear everybody? Right? Clear everyone? How we can able to use this one? CSS. See, this is what we call as what demo CSS. See, the same if suppose, see what is the advantage of this one? See, notice here. See, when I can go back. See, assume that I have hundreds of HTML pages. See, HTML page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, there are thousands of HTML pages are available. Okay. See, instead of writing this one style in every page, what I'll do, I'll write it in one separate page. Okay. Instead of writing the same style in each line, each file, it might take 20 lines of code. Okay, 20 into 10 files. It will take 200 lines of code. See, instead of pasting 200 lines of code, I'll write that 20 lines here. Okay, rest everywhere only I will utilize one line to just link that file. See, once if I link this file, automatically everything we can able to reduce. See, the only thing is what? See, the main advantage is coming for external CSS is what? Not only for reducing the length of the code. Okay, see, not only reduce the length of the code. Okay, see, this is generally we can do that. We know this. See, we can reduce the length of the code. See, not only for this one. See, and also readability. See, readability means what? See, if suppose, see, today I just mentioned everywhere as a blue color in all the thousands of pages. See, in a fraction of second, I want to change to color red color. I don't want to go and change it in every thousands of line, thousands of page. See, it will be only in this one. See, just only color. Previously it was red, make it as a blue. You see, once if I refresh, every page it will automatically reflect this one. And readability means more. See, easy to modify. Correct? We can easy to modify this. Easy to modify. We can easily modify all those things. Because of that, we need external CSS. Okay. Apart from the otherwise, we can able to use inline style sheet, or we can able to use which one? This one, embedded or internal style sheet. When the required external CSS, if you readability, if you want to do more, then we can go for external style sheet. All clear, everybody? Understanding, right? What I'm explaining, everyone? Correct? Use case, what is that, Mayank? Use case company name as an header or header menu. You can use, see, if suppose if there is an header, see, everywhere header we are using what? Something same color. Okay, see, tomorrow I want to change that blue, red to blue color. I don't want to use that. I don't want to change it in every thousands of files. Change only once, automatically it has to reflect everywhere. Then you can go for external style sheet. Okay, but generalization in Angular we have a separate file. We call as a style.css, external style. Globally will be there. That I will teach you that later on. But anyway, see, simply see how to create a CSS file and how to import it. See, hope all clear, everybody? Hope all clear, everyone? Clear, right? Everybody how to use this one? Okay, yeah. See, I'll give you 2-3 minutes of time. Can you guys quickly practice it? Can you guys quickly practice it, everybody? Whoever are in front of the laptop, quickly practice it. Create a separate file, import it. That is what import this. Can we have an hyperlinks in the CSS file? No. See, only style we can write. Only for a style. Apart from this, nothing else. You cannot have anything. See, you cannot even write your HTML tag also. See, HTML tag. See, it won't allow that. It won't entertain you. Only styles. See, like this. Pure style. Yeah. Quickly, can I guys quickly copy and execute this one, everyone? Can we use CSS for user experience? See, user experience, UX and UI. There will be separate topic which we call as what? UI and UX. Okay, UI and UX. See, UI means what? User interface. Okay, UX means what? User experience. Okay, user experience. See, if we want to create user experience more, okay, see, user experience, UI and UX, that is different. See, this UI and UX will be explained only what, how you want to be create a more interactive page. Okay, see, if you created something called as only like this, see, nobody will feel to use this application. See, if something like look and feel, if something very good look and feel, see, at least something they will understand that, okay, see, something is looking good. See, we have to be see more. See, if it is some different color, okay, see, they will feel like they wanted to use this application, right? They wanted to feel like they want to use this application, different background, different things. See, this is what user interface, how the user interface has to look, and whatever we create this, and how other user has to experience it. Okay, if I create an application, see, I know how to design that. There will be some standardization. Okay, see, if suppose if I can click on Amazon, see, there will be amount part. That amount part must be what? In red color. Correct. See, the same thing if I can go, see, Amazon. If I can click on Amazon, see, if I can click, see, we know how to do the business strategy. See, like example, if I can click on this, see, notice they written like this. Understanding? See, ends in what? Some timings they given. Okay, if I can click on this thing, see, if I can notice it, okay, see, this is in red color. See, something, it is highlighting part. What something is highlighting part. See, the same thing if I write it in something a different color. See, user won't feel to use that application, or user won't feel more to use that application. See, or there'll not be more interface. There'll not be more experience to use that. Correct? See, this is an amount. See some bigger size. It should be there. Experience. User has to experience this one, all the things. See, when I can click on something, see, notice all these things. See, when I can click on this one, see, or when I can click on anything, see, automatically what will happen? See, it will display like this. See, amount will be displayed like this. Okay, see, star, rate of star. See, or something color they given. See, why they could have given the color? See, more experience. See, why they could have this one? See, more experience. All these things. See, when I can see this image, user might not feel better. See, when I can give an option to zoom, see, user may feel good. Experience. See, who will design this one? UI people, front end designer. This is what we call as UI design. See, there is separate topic for this. There will be separate things called as separate things we call as what? UI and UX. Okay, we call separate things called as what? UI and UX. That will be separate part. Okay, that will be separate part. UI and UX. Okay, but yes, for a while, this is what only the UI we call. Only developer will do this one. Okay, can you quickly copy this one, everyone? See, now time is what? 20:42, and give me 3 more minutes. Everybody quickly copy and run fast. Yeah. Let's hope everybody done it. Hope everybody done. One minute. I better close it. No worries. Fine. Okay. Till this much, everybody clear, right? All clear? All clear? Good. Super. Okay. See, till now we're discussing only about how to use a style sheet. Correct? See, how to use style sheet. How many types of style sheet we have? How many types of style sheet we have? One is what? Inline style sheet. Inline. Embedded or internal, or again we have external style sheet. Okay. See, when I'm talking about this CSS, if I talk, how many types we have? Three types. Correct? So one is what we call, one is what? One is what? Inline. Okay, inline style sheet. Inline style sheet. Yeah, then again second one will be embedded or internal style sheet, or third one will be what we call external style sheet. Correct? If it is an internal, where we used to write a style in using style tag. Okay, style where in header tag. Okay, if it is an external, how we will link this? We have link tag. Okay, using link, we can able to link this one. See, we have href, and also along with that we can mention what is the relationship this one. See, then it will get executed in every HTML page. So till this much of everybody understood? Till this much of everybody understood this one? How we can able to write the styles? Okay. Yeah. See the simple one. See, along with, see, now I am closing this one. Okay, I don't see now. See, for a while, just only I just given the so many example for this how to use the external style sheet. Okay. See, now what I will do, I will call demo 4.html. Okay, demo 4.html. See, I will call this documentation here. Okay. See, along with this, what I will do, some due tags I have. Okay, I have one due tag. See, h1 tag. Okay, now notice carefully. I welcome to web application. I welcome to web application. Okay, now see, same like this. Assume that I have 10 files, 10 lines. Okay. When I can execute this one, notice. When I can execute this one, demo 4. Okay, I'll call demo 4.html. See, it is coming like this. Okay, na? But my requirement is what? See, and notice carefully here, I forgotten. See, if suppose here we have, okay. See, this is coming, this is higher, here I have blue color. If suppose if I can execute demo 1, it will come in blue color only, right? If I can execute in demo 1.html, what color will come? Obviously, it will come in the blue color only. Okay. See, blue color it is coming. But what will happen if I write my own style? First, local preference. See, I'll write a style like this. See, I want this when it comes to H1 color, I want in red color. I want this color is equal to red color. Now tell me, which one will come? See, whether the blue color will come or red color will come. Which one will come? Huh? Which one? See, just to show this, instead of blue, what I'll do, purposefully I'll write some different color I'll take. Okay. See, let me call some different color. What color I can take it? Let me take some different color. Any chocolate color? Yeah, chocolate color I take it. Okay. Chocolate color is different and this one is different. Okay. Red color is different. Or I'll call this will what pink color. See, now tell me whether it will come pink color or chocolate color. Which will come? Chocolate or pink? Pink. According to you guys, it has to print as pink color. Notice here, is it printing pink color? No. Okay, it is not. Okay, see now notice. See, instead of, let me change this one. Okay, where it is? Instead of this one chocolate color, instead of chocolate, I'll call some blue color. Okay, see now this is pink and that is blue. See now check out. See which color is coming now? Which color is coming? See when I can refresh, I haven't saved, I guess. Save this one. Demo 1 is imported. Yes. Now if I can execute this, notice, yeah, which is coming now? Pink color is coming, right? Instead of pink, let me call as a green. Okay, let me call as a green. See when I can call this one as a green, notice, refresh. Yeah. See, first preference is what? First preference is what? Local. See, this is green color is coming because it is in local. See, this is because first is this one. See, if suppose instead of this, if I can take it this line first. See if I can take this one. Now tell me, see instead of green, it might become a different color. What color is coming now? Blue color is coming. Why? See, this green color is overridden with this one, blue, at later on. Correct? It is coming green color later on got changed, right? Yes or no? Green color to blue color is coming. See, which is important for you guys? Whether you want green or whether you want blue. Which one? Which one you want? I want this green. Green is an important. If you want this is an important, and I will mention this is an important. Which one? Green is an important. So when I can mention not important, automatically this will become this will consider as an important. See like this, it will become green color. Means if we are externally telling this is what important for us. Then this will consider as an important. Perfect, everyone. Clear, right? Understanding what we call, this is what we call as what important. Okay, yeah, see I know this, you must know these things. Just quickly I'm just sending in the chat box, everybody have a look into it. Whoever is practicing it, just have a look at this. They might ask you what is a chat box, sorry, what is this important, they will ask. I just shared in chat box, quickly look into it, execute that quick. Just noticed everybody? Noticed everybody how this is executing? Good, super. Okay, yeah. See now I'll remove all the things. Okay, I don't want it to. Okay, anyway, that's the first one. I don't know procedure. I just came back to till only this much. Okay, sorry. Let it be this. I'll go back and demo 4. See, demo 4. Is there anything extra in the demo 4? Is there anything in the extra in the demo 4? No. See, it is very simple. Just I taken one geotag along with this some H1 tag I taken. Okay. See, I want this and some red color. Okay, color is equal to red color. I want this is something red color I want. Okay, na? See, and here also I want something red color. See, color is equal to red. See, if it is only one or two style, easily we can able to write here. See, some of the things what I want the same style. Okay, see, I want this color and I want this font. Okay, font style I'll call italic. Okay, same style I want this one also, and I want this one also. Okay, I want this one also, and I want this one also, and I want this one also. See everywhere I want. See when I can execute this one, see demo 4. See notice demo 4.html. See when I can execute this one, see can I able to see this one? It is coming in this particular things, right? Yes or no? See, I want the sum of the H1 tags to be in this particular style. I want some of them H1 to be in this particular style, not all the things. See, suppose if I can come back and if I can start writing this style, when it comes to H1 tag, if I write like this, I want the color is equal to red color. See, then everywhere it will become red color. See, everywhere it become red color. See, my requirement is what I want. I don't want it to write everywhere as red color. Okay. I don't want it everywhere as red color. See, some of the tag, it might be first one, or it might be third one, or it might be seventh one, or it might be eighth one. So I wanted something like either some of the tags, some of the 5, 6 lines of code I wanted in a red color, not everything. Then how is that? How I can able to categorize that one? Shall we categorize all those things like this? See, same style. See where I have a style. See, instead of when it comes to H1 tag, I don't want to write this one, okay? So I don't want to write this. I don't want to write this, or I don't want to write this, okay, or I don't want to write this. Okay, I don't want to write this one. See, when I can execute this one, say by default it's coming blue color. Sorry, black color. I want to be execute this one based on my requirement. Then I choose class is equal to ABC. Okay. See, ABC means what? Selector, class selector we call. Here I have to follow. See, if it is a class followed by ABC, and here I will see color is equal to see blue color. Okay. See, wherever I want this particular style, it might be even font. See, font style, italic. See, wherever I want these things, then I'll only select this one using class selector. Say I think I might want this one, I might want this one, I might want this one, or I might want this one. See when I can execute this one, see only those 4 classes will become a blue color. See this is also one of the way you can able to identify this. Understanding? Understanding everyone? Okay. See, fine. See how to use classes, how to use class, how to use ID, all the things. We'll see it. Okay, I will tell you this how to use all those things. Okay, for a while, shall we take a short break? Shall we take a short break? Okay, 9:20, 9 to, I'll call 9 to 9:20 break. Okay, I'll call dinner break. You guys can go back and have your dinner and come back. See, then we'll come back and we'll start with the rest of the topics. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, thank you. Yes, sorry. Hope you guys can hear me, right, everyone? Hope everybody, you guys can hear me now. Yeah. Can someone quickly confirm me? Can someone quickly confirm me? Hope you guys can able to hear me, everyone. Okay, good. Yes. Okay, super. Fine. What we're talking about? Types of CSS done. Yeah. See, we were using types of CSS, and also we were started about selectors. Correct? We started about the selectors, right? Yeah. See, just generally quickly, I just mentioned this one. What are the types of selectors we have here? Okay. Just generally, what are the majorly we are using this one? One is ID selector. Major, actually speaking, these are the selectors we have. One is ID selector. One is we have a class selector. One more we have a tag selector. Okay. One more we have universal selector. Universal selector. Okay, universal selector, and also we have another things which one is universal, and again we can able to consider as grouping. Okay, we can able to group that, and we can able to select those things. Grouping. I'll show this grouping and select those things. Okay, see for a while, just let's see what is ID selector. Okay, see first for a while, just what I will do, I'll show it in the one by one. I will call demo find out HTML. Okay, demo find.html. Notice here, I just taken document is here. See, I just consider one div tag, and I have some h1 tag. Okay, h1 tag. See, just to, I'll call just to check. Okay, just to check or, okay, let me call it just to check. See, the same content I will add multiple times. Can you able to see this one multiple times? Okay, so I just added multiple times. I am executing the same thing in demo file, demo file.html. See, yes, everybody can able to see this one, right? Everybody can able to see this one, right? Everyone? Yeah, just for quickly confirmation, just please confirm. Yeah. Okay. Yes. See, my requirement, if I want to apply any of the style, if I can come back with, see, this is tag selector. See, H1 is a tag. Okay, when it comes to tag selector, I want the color is equal to blue color or black color. I want something any different color if you want check. See, this is about tag selector. Notice we are directly we are selecting tag only. Can you able to see directly we are selecting tag itself. Okay, if suppose same thing H2. Okay, H2. See some I'll call H2 here some content or some page I'll call. Okay, see same like this. I will add some other things as well. Okay, now coming back, I'll add like this. See, when I can add this, so notice, see, this is coming, but not any of the color. Okay, but not any of the color. Even if I want the same thing, see, here I can come back, instead of writing this one H2, and again color is equal to same blue color. Okay, instead of doing that one, same blue color. See, if you have the same requirement, okay, instead of writing this one H2, why can't you write here only, called as H2? See, instead of this one, you can come back and you can write any of the color. See, notice, save and notice, yes, even it is also occupying. Means you can group multiple tags. Understanding, right? You can group multiple tags, then you can write even style also. This is what we call as grouping. Okay, grouping. Purpose of div tag here again and again, I'll not repeat that. This is just for division. You remove this one, still it will work. Okay. Just I'm telling this is something kind of a container. Okay. See, notice again, if I can execute it, still it will be same output. See, now coming back, see, this is what red I change. See, if I can change this one something called as what green, see, still that will come as a green color. See, notice, yes, still this will come as a green color. See, you can do anything. Okay, you can do anything this one. See, this is what selector we call grouping selector. Grouping with tag. See, when I can write only this one, what we call this one called as what? Tag selector. Correct? When we can write only this one, we call it a tag selector. See, if the same requirement I have it for H1 tag and as well as H2 tag as well. See, then you can come back and you can write even this one also. See, when it comes to blue, refresh, it will come as whole thing as a blue color. Understood this one, everyone? Grouping and tag selector. See, it can be any tag. See, like example, I'll call. See, I have p tag. See, p tag, I'll call. See, I am adding some content. Some content. See, for this one, I don't want to write any extra style for this. If you really want this one, see, then I'll call this one color is equal to, I'll call what I call color is equal to, I'll call blue color. Okay, same blue color. See, if I want to add a blue color, see there I don't want to add that one extra things here. See, blue color. See, instead of this one, why can't I add the same thing, p tag also here? See, p tag also there. See, now I'll remove this one. See, grouping that one. See, whichever you want, you can group and select this one. Group that and select that. If you want to change, if I can change this, still that will get executed for us. See, it will execute for everyone. Grouping we call. Clear it? How we can able to group that? If see, I want this one, I want to be aligned center. See, ALIGN. See what I want to align that? I want to be aligned text aligned. Where I want to align it center. See, if I can execute this, notice. See, it will become in a center tag. See, it will become center. See, by default it was left, right? See, when I can click on these things, I will go for and I'll click on right. See, notice it will become as a right side. Here. See, by default the text will be what? In left side. See, if you really want to check, see, it will be in left side. See, like this. You can click anything wherever you want. See, center. See, I want to be click what all the things I want to be make it a center. I want to group all those tags. It will be what? H1 tag, it will be H2 tag, it will be P tag, everything I want to be group that. Then it will be come in as my style. See, if suppose if it is not, then I have to be write like this one by one. See, if you want to apply the same style, see, one is for what? H1. Okay, one is for what? H1 tag. See, one is for what? H2 tag. See, one is for what? H2 tag. See, one is for what? P tag. Okay, see, one is for what? P tag. Okay, P tag. If I execute, still it will be same. But that is not recommended to whether. If these three is having same style in a single class, why can't we write everything in a single line like this? See, it will be good for us to write. See, like this. Hope all clear everybody this one? Hope all clear everybody this one? Okay, this is what grouping and as well as tag selector. See, we are selecting the tag. Okay, we are selecting the tag. Okay, so just I am quickly passing this one just for your information. Quickly have a look into it. Okay, repositories, demo. Okay, sorry, I'll push the code here. Okay, for your reference, just for your understanding. Stage everything, comment, CSS, demos, comment that, going back, push. Okay, see when I can push the code, yes, when I can notice this, see it will be available in the CSS demo folder as well. See when I can click, yes, everything will be there inside this. Okay, for your reference. And also if you want to execute quickly this one, if you really want to execute this quickly, I can able to paste that in the paste Ubuntu, pasting it, yes, coming here, submit. See when I can click on this, yes, you guys can able to execute. See, just quickly have a look into it. 1 minute, first. This is what we call as what? Tag selector. See, then I'll go back and I'll explain the how to use ID selector, how to use class selector. That is what important. Okay, that is what important. Class selector and ID selector. That is the only thing generally we use everywhere to select something. Quickly have a look into it. Once you're done with that, just mention as a done. Once if you complete this, mention as a done. First. Fast, fast, fast. Okay, fine. See now, the same thing I am coming back. I will call this one demo6.html. See now, notice. See here, same thing, but I am removing this one. Okay, here I am just removing the style. Just remove this style. Okay, remove this style. Yeah, same thing. Div tag I have. See, when I can mention, as I told you, when I can mention this one style tag. See, if I apply as a tag selector, if I apply the color, see everywhere it will become red color only. See, wherever we have an H1 tag, see wherever we have an H1 tag, see everywhere will come as an H1, everywhere it come as red color. Correct? Everywhere it is coming as a red color. Correct? See, my requirement is what I don't want everywhere has to be red color. See, out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out of 6, I don't want everywhere to be red color. I will identify myself which one has to be red color. Then how to identify this? I can give some ID for this. ID my H1 tag. You can give anything. Okay, see simply just I'm giving this name. You can give XYZ, or you can give ABC, or you can give A to Z, or you can give AAA, or BBB, CCC, ZZZ, XXX, YYY. You can give any name. I'll give ABC. See, I will identify myself when it comes to ABC. Then I want red color. If it is a class selector, it has. If it is ID selector, it has to be ash. How we can able to select this ABC using ash. Now check out. See, only that will become red color. See, along with this, I want to identify even this one also. ID is equal to ABC. Now check out. Even this one also will become red color. See, rest other it will not affect that. If suppose if I can come back and if I can mention H1 tag color is equal to red, see everywhere it is becoming red color, right? See, it was making problem. See, my requirement, I want to identify myself using an ID. Which one has to become H1? Which one has to become red color? Understanding everybody? Understanding? Right? What is class selector? This is what, see, this is using ID, we can able to select this. Or we have another option. See, we have another option. See, I'll call H2 using class. I'll call XYZ. See, if it is a class selector, I want to be select using dot. See, anything you can able to use. See, here I'll call color is equal to blue color. Okay, I'll call color is equal to blue color. Now, if I execute this, notice, then it will become blue color. Only this one. See, these are the things we call as what? Generally, we call these are things H2 tag only. These are the things what? H2 only. But I am identifying this. Which one has to be blue color using class selector. Using class selector. See, hope you guys are completely understood what actually it is. ID selector and class selector. See, if it is a class selector followed by dot. If it is ID selector followed by ash. Hope I am completely clear with these things, right? Understood everyone? How these things is getting executing. See, we call ID selector. See, ID selector will be what? ID we can able to select using select using ash. Correct? Class selector we can select using dot. Okay, see, tag selector use tag names for that. Universal selector means star. It will be everything. I'll show it. See, grouping also you know that. Grouping means it might be H1 tag, it might be H4 tag, it might be P tag, it might be HR tag, it might be any tag. This is how you can able to select this. Okay, just first have a look into this one. Okay, then I will share this code. Okay, meanwhile I also sharing the code. I'll also share this code here. See, where in this paste button, both options. See, now I'm sharing the both GitHub. See, from now onwards, at least use something. You guys can just consider. See, you don't expect everything to be one by line or something. It kind of this one what give the code in pen drive or link all the things. I am just pushing the code to where GitHub. From the GitHub, you should know how to access this one. So from today onwards, you will be professionals. You guys have to get the code from the here. This will be it will be available for you guys throughout your life. You guys can copy and you guys can clone this one. If you don't know, learn how to clone it. Hope you guys already gone through that, but still learn. If you don't know how to learn, if you don't know how to clone that one, you guys can learn and just use it. If you don't know, but let me know, I'll explain that one. Okay. And also, if somebody is using this for a quick link, you guys can have a look into like this. Both option I am giving you guys. Copy this and run. Both options. Yeah. Any questions so far? Any questions? Please share the code in Drive as well. Yes, definitely I'll share the code in Drive also. Okay. Is there any different ID versus class? See, both ID and class both are selectors only. Okay, both are used for selecting purpose only. Okay, you can mention yourself. Both you can able to use. Either ID also you can able to use, class also you can able to use. Anything you can able to use. Okay, both are meant for some different things. If it is ID, we are using as. Okay, if it is a class, we are using dot. Okay, fine. Quickly have a look into this. Once you execute it within, do let me know. See, we can write any of the style just for a while, just for your understanding purpose. Just I'm showing only what I'm showing only simple color using color. I'm just showing all the things. Okay, using color only, I'm showing this one. Yeah, quickly execute this one. And once you're done with that, let me know. See, this is what the very important. They will these two things. If you attend 10 interview, if you attend 10 interview, out of this, they will ask minimum in 4-5 interviews. These two things. Okay, these two things. Okay, these two things. Yeah. Okay, yes. Quickly have a look into this, revise everything. I'll give you 2 minutes of time, quickly revise everything. Fast. Quick. Fast, fast. See, and remember, moreover, ID we should not use everywhere, wherever you want, multiple types. See, ID should be what? Unique. See, only one type. See, not even just two, three more, four more times. See, if you want to use only one time, you guys can go for ID. Okay, if you want to use multiple times, then you can go for what? Class. Okay, that is what the specifically it will do that. But still, you can also apply that one. I give you both an option for you guys just to learn. But if it is ID, use only one time recommended. Class you can use multiple times. Okay. Yeah. Quickly revise everybody. Quickly revise. Once you're done with it, let me know. Okay. Yeah, good. Okay, this is what we call as what selector. And be careful about what is ID selector and what is class selector. Okay. Yeah. See, generally, if I don't have any of the selectors, okay. See, if you want, see, this is P tag. Okay, I'll call something called as what BR tag. See, B tag. B tag, which is the thing what we call as what bold tag, right? See, bold tag. See, I want. See, when I can execute this one, notice. See, everything is coming normal. See, I don't have anything here. See, if I want to select everything at in one shot. See, if really want that, we have a universal selector. See, then color is equal to blue color. See, this will be universal. Kind of everything it will get selected in one shot. Let me check. Notice everything it will get one shot. Either it might be P tag or BR tag. It might be any of the tags. It might be any of the tags. It will come like this. Okay. It will come. Everything will be in one tag. Universal selector we call. But that is not recommended to use nowadays. But generally we use ID selector or class selector. Okay. Clear everybody? ID selector or class selector. Okay, na? Clear everyone? Okay, fine. See, Tanesh, is there only one way can we able to give something colors? See how many colors are there like this? There are more than 200 plus colors are there. See, more than thousands plus colors we can able to identify. See, if I go with the colors, this is what only the color we have. Okay, this is what only the color we have generally. Okay, but we have also one other option called as what RGB. Can able to see RGB? What is RGB? RGB means red, blue, green. See, when I can take red, blue, green, see ABC, which one? This one. See, now notice here, see, this will become what color? What color is coming? What color is coming? All these things, ABC. Where is an ABC? ABC here, right? ABC where? Yeah, ABC, ABC. These two color. What color is coming? Just black color is coming. See, the combination of red, green, and blue will become as black. Okay. See now, red. I will call here pink color. Okay, let me call pink color. See, let me call this one color as what? Something different color I'll call. Okay. I'll call something blue color. I'll call here something I'll call green color or red color I'll call. See, just to check. Okay, now check out. See, this will become still same. If you want any other color, orange color. Now it might become change. No. See, orange, what we can do, we can give some numbers for this. See, 0 to 225 we can able to give it. See here what I can do. If you really want to, if I don't want to mention that one, see, you can mention simply like this. Okay. Maximum 255, hexadecimal 255, 255. See, white color. Which color this is? White color. See, I want this color. See, if you want this particular color, see, this is a color, this is a code. If you want this particular color, this is a code. See, this blue color if you want, see this particular color, then this color. See, now notice if I can execute, accordingly that color is getting changing. Notice here this one. See, you want a different change color. See now, click on this, which color you want. You want this one or you want this one? See now, click on whichever the color you want. See, red, blue, green, accordingly it is getting changing and updating. See, like this. Understanding? See, if suppose, see, like now coming back. See, if suppose if I can come Amazon. See, let me check. See, when I can go to Amazon, see if I can click on any of these things. Okay, I'll click on this one. Okay. See, when I can click on this, I wanted to know what color different. See, let me check. See, when I can come back. See, here they're using this one. Notice. See what color it might be this one. See, notice here what color it might be this one, or what color this might be this one. See, when I can execute this one, see this might be what, light yellow. Okay, see yellow color it will be different color. See if I can inspect it, if I can inspect, notice here, see here when I can come back, see just click on this, come back on this particular thing. Okay, when I can come, there will be style. See when I can go back, see here we have a color. See if I can click on color, if I can click red, not that one second, where it might be input type is equal to button, right? One second, enabled, 1 minute. Okay, sorry, it went somewhere, it went. See also we can able to identify where actually it is. Okay, this is a color. Okay, this is a color, and coming back and click on this particular thing, I notice when I can go back, see click on this one and come back. Yeah, see if I can click on this one, see here there will be input tag. See this particular input tag just identifies what actually they mentioned, whether they mentioned any of the style or not, or any color or not. We can come back and we can able to identify this class. Okay, a button input. See a button input here we have background color they given. This is what this one, red. It is not applying. 1 second. Where else they given? They given anywhere? Okay, see we can able to change even here also. See there will be option to change that one. Change means just we can able to identify in that manner. See when we can come to in ourselves only. Okay. See let's check out this. I will add one different color here. Okay. See where I'll add here only. See input type is equal to submit. Okay, input type is equal to submit, a value is equal to something I'll call, you can call login. Okay, now see login. See when I can execute this one, notice yes it is coming one button for us. See when I can notice, yes we are getting one button for us, correct? See for this particular button I will identify like this. See class is equal to my btn, my button. Okay, say class is equal to my button, or I'll call btn. See this btn, if it's a class followed by dot, correct? btn. Okay, then I want this background color is equal to yellow color. Let me call yellow color, and width is equal to, I'll call something 50%, 50 pixel. Okay, okay, I'll call this width is equal to 150 pixel. Just let us check, no worries. Okay, height is equal to, I'll call some 50 pixel. Okay, see then, yeah, color is equal to font color. I want the black color. Okay, see if I can execute this. Notice yes, see it is coming according to my design. Correct? It is coming like this. Okay, fine. See now, I will come back. I will inspect it where it is. Just going back. Click on this. Click on this one. Yes, it is coming like this. Notice. Yeah, see here we have this color. See if you don't want this one, you can change here also. See what color you want. Either I want the blue color. See blue color. See here I want this green color. Okay, I want this anything, a blue color, red color. Okay, anything if you want the chocolate color, you can mention, or any color if you want to change the modification here itself we can do the changing. Okay, you can do the any of the changing whatever you want. See if you want to increase the size of this, see we can increase the size also. See wherever you will feel good, you guys can able to add take that one. See now if you want to add one more extra property for this thing, see now coming back, if you really want to add, see if you don't want the width, see minimize. If you want this, if you don't want height, you can do like this. See you don't want the border, uncomment this. You don't want the color, do this one. See like this. Understanding? If you want the border property, background or border hyphen radius. If you want the border radius, I'll call 10 pixels. See, notice it is changing. See, 10 pixels. If I can keep increasing this one, see, like this it will come. See, where how much ever you want this, you can able to mention like this. See, it will come whichever you want. You guys can mention that particular part. See, here coming back, width if you don't want, you can take it as a less width. See, somewhere you guys can notice it, somewhere it will be button like this. Correct? See, example, if I can go back to Facebook itself. See, if I can come back to facebook.com. See, notice here, I'll call facebook.com. See, when I can click on Facebook, see, create an account. See sign up. How the sign up looks like? See this one. See how we can able to inspect it. Come back, inspect, and going back to this button. See here, there will be something color will be there. See, when if we can click this particular thing, somewhere there will be colors. Here, see here the color. You can change even blue also. You can change even pink also. Okay. You can change anything, whatever the color you want. If you want even green or if you want even a red color instead of pink, you can give even red also. See like this. See then if we can come back, it will become red color. So you can change like this. But see, this is not the only client side we can change, but not in the server side. If somebody else open, it will looks like same color. Okay, see means we can give any of the color here. Clear. We can able to select this one. We can able to write my own style. Instead of writing the same style using style tag here. Instead of writing same thing, you just write all those things. That will be fine. Understanding right, everyone? Understanding? Okay. See, this is how we can able to select all those things. Okay. Perfect. Clear? Okay. This is what we call as what selector. And remember, see this particular color instead of we can give RGB also. Okay, you can mention RGB also. What color really wanted this one? Okay, and just accordingly you can mention I'll call 50, and here also I'll call 50 50 50. See this 50 50 50 might be some different color. See the combination this one, it will become something different color. See it might be some different color. See kind of like this. See this one, different color. See if you want this, change that different color. Accordingly that will get come execute for us. 60 this one, this will become this particular color. See like this one. Okay. See, one is for RGB also you can give, one is for directly color also you can give. See, color like this or RGB like this. You can give anything, whatever you want. Understanding? Hexadecimal also you can give, color also you can give, anything if you want, you can give it. See, also we have something called as what HSL, hue, saturation, and lightness. That is not required for a while. Okay. See, only this much is much more enough. See, color, either you can able to give in terms of RGB or you can able to give in terms of what? In terms of what? This in terms of color. See, also we have an option to give in terms of where hexadecimal also we can give. Okay, see like I'll call this one as what hexadecimal. How I can give? How I can able to mention in hexadecimal format? See hexadecimal. See ash. See FF. What will be the FF means? See now notice all these things will become what color? Instead of black, it will become what? White color. But white color means 1 1. So white color means FF. Everything will be. See if I can take 0 0, 0 0 0 0, everything will become 0. Then this will become black. See black. Okay. See now this must be what 1 1. I'll call 9 9. I'll call 7 7. It might be some different color. See it might be some different color. See like this. See like this. See also we can able to mention whichever the color you want. See either one is what directly mention the color also. We can directly mention what when it comes to color. Huh. When it comes to color, directly I can able to mention the color name. Color name also we can mention, or we can mention RGB also we can mention, or we can mention hexadecimal also we can mention. These three possibilities also we can able to mention that. Clear, right, everyone? Clear? Okay, if anybody want to check this one, yeah, quickly just I am passing into the place one to quickly have a look into it, everybody. Okay, if really want to check anybody, just removing this, pasting it, submitting it. Okay, anyways, at the end, I'll share all the code using GitHub. Okay, quickly look into it fast. Quickly look into it. Once you've done, let me know. Once you've done, just have a look into that's all. No need to practice or anything. Just execute that and check. And if you want to do any modification, you guys can try to do modification and check that. Okay, have it done? And done this one. If you guys are done with it, let me know. Once you guys are done, just execute that one once. If you're done with this, just mention as a done in the chat box. Quick, 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 quick. Done. Okay, fantastic. Okay, yeah. See, I think also we discussed yesterday some background property, right? Background property. It might be background image, how to upload the background image, or how to upload the background color, or how to upload if it is a repeating, how to repeat this background repeat, correct? And background attachment. Okay, background attachment and background position. Okay, these are the things. I think yesterday we discussed all these things, background property. See, we know how to upload the background image, correct? Do I want to show this one or yesterday we done it? That is fine. We know how to upload the background image, background color, background repeat, background attachment, background position. Hope everybody understood that one yesterday which we discussed. Or do I want to repeat that one once? Understood everybody? Background, how to upload the background image, all those things. Okay, perfect. Okay, yeah. See, good, clear. See, now once if you understood all those things, see now let's see how to apply the some border property for this. Okay, see the same thing. If I can consider this one, see now going back, let me close this one paint. I don't want it. Close this. Don't save. Close it. Okay. What I will do, I'll go back. Let me create some new file. I'll call demo7.html. I'll call. Okay, demo7.html. Fine. See, guys, listen carefully. See, somebody is asking me what is the usage of div tag, div tag, div tag. Some keep there. Some fellow is asking keep time. See now, notice here. See, I wanted to write this one. I'll consider two div tag. Okay, I'll consider two div tag. Okay, this is one container. This is one container, and this is one container. Three container. See, here we have h1 tag. Okay, I'll mention hi. Okay, see here same h1 tag. Okay, I'll mention hello. See same h1 tag. See here I'll mention same h1 tag. I'll mention bye. See demo 7, right? See if I can execute this one. See, if I can execute demo 7, see, notice here, it is coming hi, hello, bye. Is it coming hi, hello, bye? Yes, it is coming hi, hello, bye. But how it is occupying? See, this is full container. See, instead of this one, if suppose if I write, see, hi, okay, or else if I write I, and here I'll write hello, here I'll write bye. See, notice here, when I can execute this one, see, it is coming in a single line at the end. Okay, but it is occupying block by block. Okay, see, it is occupying block by block. See, if suppose if I can take span tag, see, they will ask, this is one of the important interview question. See, hi, I just mentioned as a hi. See, structure is hello, see, hello, and I'll call as a bye. Okay, see, if I can take it as a span tag, if I can take it as span tag, it is coming one after another. If it is a div tag, it is coming one after another. See, this is one beside other. Okay, the difference between these two things was span tag will not occupy complete screen, complete space. See, like example, see here, style is equal to background color is equal to yellow. See, if I can take it like this, see, yellow. See, if this will occupy complete screen. See, either you write this much content or you write anything extra content, but it will occupy complete screen. It will occupy that. Okay, it will occupy what? Complete screen. It will occupy it. Understanding? It will occupy the complete screen. But when I can go here, see, notice here, when I can use this one, style is equal to background color is equal to yellow. See, now check out if I can use yellow color. See, now it will occupy only the space. Only that much space it will occupy. This is what the difference between div tag and span tag. Span tag means it is inline, in a line. In a line it will get executed. But div tag is nothing but what? It is a block level. You write only this much, it will be complete block it will occupy. Okay. See, if you apply any style, it will apply complete block. Complete block. See, div is nothing but it's a block level element. See, span is nothing but inline level. Inline is only particular word. Note down div and span difference. If I can click, notice here a div element is used for block level. Okay, block level means it will occupy complete line, whereas span element is used for inline, means the single line itself it will occupy. This is an important question. Every time they will ask this question in the interview. Span, inline, this one block level. See, just for your information, what I will do, span, I will call this is inline level. Okay, and this one I will call block level. Okay, if I can execute this, it will be same. Inline level, block level, you should know this. See, hope you guys are clear with these things. Clear with that? Running back, pasting this one. Okay, paste this, submit the code, copy that, executing in these particular things. Okay. Yeah, quickly execute this one, everyone. Check once, and this is important question. Make sure everybody remember that one. Okay. Just I'll give you one more minute. Just research on that one. Keep it ready with that one. Question. This see, they will ask many times this one. And meanwhile, what I will do, I'll copy the same thing and going back, create demo 8.html. Yes. Okay. I don't want to use any more extra things here. Only one div tag I will take it. Okay. I will not take any more extra. See, only simple div tag I am taking it here. And demo 8, but I will call this one in here demo 8 only. Demo 8.html. Okay, so yeah, quickly you guys can just execute this one demo 7. Once you've done with this, just mention in the chat box just by saying done. Fast. Fast. Mhm. Okay, done. Fine. See, I will come back and I'll run this one on what? Demo 8 now. Okay. Demo 8. See now demo 8 what I will do, I would like to add some content inside this. Okay. I wanted to add some content here. Okay now see. I just wanted to add some content here. That I will call it either you want anything add, you can add it here. Okay. See notice that this is a whole content I have it. See now this is a whole content, just I am pasting it here. Okay. Any doubt so far? If really if I want this one, if I want to execute this, yes, I'll paste it one more time. Okay, see if I can execute this, notice. Yeah, it is coming. Is it coming this one, everyone? See, notice carefully, this is very much important. Border property, margin, and padding. If we know these things, see, we have something called as what? Box model, okay? We have something called as what? Box model. See, if you understood this box model, if you want to understand this complete box model, you should know what is padding, what is margin, okay, what is margin, and as well as you should know what is padding, margin, and as well as what border. Okay, if you understood these three things, then you'll understand only the box model. Okay, what is with div use p tag as well? Yeah, see, we can use that one. See, it doesn't mean that it's compulsory like this. Okay, you can use any of the tags. See here p tag also we can able to use it. See if I can use this one. See at the end we can paste it. See, but still it look like a same thing. Nothing changes. See, no changes. Okay, na? See, this is a one div tag I taken. See, did I taken this div tag? Right? Is there any border for that particular things? Is there any border for this particular things? No border, right? See, I will write mention class is equal to I will pass my div is what class name. If it is a class, outer writer style, I don't know. Outer writer style, can someone can help me? Dot or ash? Dot, correct? See here I'll call border. Okay. See here I'll call border style I'll call. Okay. Border style, I want first I'll call solid. Okay, let me check what will happen. See, is it coming any border for this one? Is it coming the border? Yes or no? It's coming the border, right? Yeah. See, border solid we can give or border dotted we can give. It will come as a dotted. See, dotted. See, if you don't want a dotted, if you want this one, instead of this one, we can give solid dotted and as well as dashed. See, dashed means what? It will come dash 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 like this. Okay, if you want a double, you can mention double. See, it will come as a double. Okay, you can notice it will be double line, kind of. Is it coming, everyone? It's coming, right, this one? Yes or no? See, you can mention anything, whatever you want. See, solid. Okay, see, just I don't know whether I can comment it or not. Okay, see now just simply just I'll write some. Okay, later write. Anyway, you guys aware of it that one. See, it might be what at the end I'll direct it. Okay, control question mark. See, either it might be solid. Okay, or it might be dashed. Okay, or it might be what dotted. Okay, it might be dotted, or it might be solid. Okay, we have many other things like this. Okay, you can use or double, or if you don't want anything, you can also mention. So by default, it's coming as what dash. If you don't want anything, what you can mention this one. Also, you can mention this one as what none. Okay, if you don't want, you can mention as a none also. So it will not come any border for this. See, that is up to you guys. Okay, you can also mention even none as well. Okay, yeah. See, you how much border width you want. Okay, also I want this border. I will come back. Border width I'll call. Okay, border width. See, border width I'll call 10 pixels. See, if I can call 10 pixel, notice. Yeah, it is everywhere. It is coming 10 pixel. Correct. No, I don't want every border width 10 pixel. Border width or border I'll call top. See, border top I want 10 pixel. Only top I want. I think it's not able to see that one. Border bottom I'll call 10 pixel. Okay, I think I have to mention even color also that one. But see, generally, if I can click this one, color is what border width. Okay, border width. If I can consider this one, see, it will come as everywhere it will come as this one. Correct? It is coming like this. Okay, border width. See, 10 pixel and 20 pixel I'll call. 20 pixel I'll call. See, if I can execute this, notice. Yeah, see, right side it is coming little bit more. See, top and bottom. See, first is 10 is what? Top and bottom. 10 is what? Top and bottom. See, if you really want to check this, see, coming back, notice here. Yes. Where is this one? Coming back, apply the border for this one. Okay, yeah. See, notice here. When I can keep increasing this one, see what is happening? See, first will be top and bottom. Correct? See, top and bottom. See, this will be what? Notice. This will be what? See, left and right. Okay, this will be left and right. Okay, if it is only two, left and right. First one will be top and bottom. Okay, first one will be what? Top and bottom. Notice, first one will be what? Top and bottom we call. Okay, na? See, top and bottom. See, if you don't want like this, you can call, see, 10, 20. See, like clockwise you can call. Say, I'll call 30 pixel. I'll call 40 pixel. I'll call. See, like this. Also, we can do like this. See, like this. Also possible. However you want, you can mention that one. Okay, see, suppose if you want to mention your border color also, see, border color. See, if you want to mention the border color, red color. Also, you can mention whatever the color you want, border. Great. Great. We can also mention the border color. See, I want this first one will be red, next one will be yellow, next one will be green, or next one will be gray. Something. I want it in a different color. See, you can also mention however you want. See, like this. Possible. Possible to mention the different color. See, notice here. See, first will be what? First will be what? Top. Then yellow. Then gray. Then green. See, clockwise. These things will execute kind of clockwise. Clock. See how the clock will come? 12, 3, 6, 9. See, 12. See this one. See 12, 3, 6, 9. Kind of like clockwise it will get executed. Are you studying everyone? See, this is what we call as what? Border. Understand? If inside this, if you want this is background color. See, background color pink. You can mention anything whatever you want. This style. See, rest everything is what? How you want the more look and feel. HTML is what? What to display. Okay, just what to display. And CSS, how to display. See, suppose if I remove this one class, so this is a pure HTML. I will not applying any style. See, like this. Is it looking good? No. I want to add a style. I want to add a style. This is what how to display style. This one. Clear? Yes, sir. See if you want this, if you want the rounded border. See if you want this rounded border. See we have border radius. See 10 pixel. If I can mention 10 pixel, what is? See it will be something curved border. See it will be something kind of curved border. See like this. Okay, it will be something kind of curved border. If you want to be executing any of the things, also you can able to execute anywhere, wherever you want that. See like this, curved border. Okay. Instead of see, if I can want to make it 100 pixel, that won't be looks good. See, also we can do like this. See, 100 pixel like this. See, this is what how border you want this actually. Okay, 10, 20. Also you can able to mention however you want this. See like this. Understanding some border properties for that. See if you want this one border solid. See if you want this one called about dotted. See also you can mention something called about dotted. See like this. See dotted. See or dashed. Dashed. See like this. Or something if you want a solid, then mention as solid. See if you don't want everywhere, see I don't want everything to look like this. I want something only for 5 pixel everywhere. Then mention only 5 pixel like this. See it looks like this. Okay, this is what we call a border property we call. Border style, or it might be border style, border width, border color, and border radius. See anything you can able to see this one. Okay, like this. So hope you guys are clear about what is the border properties first. Okay, just to quickly have a look into this. We call this one called about border properties. Okay, see when I can call. See this one. I'll call here as well. See paste this. Yeah, just I am pasting it here in the chat box. Quickly have a look into this border property. Then I'll explain what is a margin and how to use margin properties. Margin property for this. Quick, once you're done with that, let me know. First, quick. Okay, yeah. See, everybody can able to see my screen now? Everybody can able to see my screen? Yes. Yeah. See, when I can click on a margin, see margin top, I'll call 50 pixel. Okay, see notice margin top 50 pixel. See it is coming from this border, right? Yeah. See such as margin, I'll call left. Okay, margin left I'll call 100 pixel I'll call. Let me check this one. See here, see margin left. It is giving the margin. Okay, see if you want margin right. See if we can give margin right, I'll call 50 pixel. See, here I can give to you like this. See, hope you guys are understanding what is margin, right? Margin means it is nothing inside that div tag. It is only outside, border. See, this is what we call as margin. See, generally instead of this, what we can do, also we can give margin. You can give generally 50 pixels. See, when I can give 50 pixels, what will happen? See, generally everywhere it will become only 50 pixels. Here also 50, here also 50, here also 50. Understanding this one, everyone? Understanding this one, margin everywhere, everybody, right? See margin. See, instead of 1 2 3 margin top, margin bottom, margin left, margin right. See, if I can consider only margin like this, it will become, what will become this one? See, it will become everywhere clockwise. See, we know this how we can able to execute this one margin now. See, here also I mentioned as a margin left, margin top, margin right, all the things. See, margin means where? Outside the border. Correct? What is margin? Outside the border or inside the border? Outside the border, inside the border. Outside the border. Okay. Outside the border. Correct? Outside the border. But what is padding? What is padding? Huh. What is padding? See, notice carefully. Padding means till now when we can work on a margin, it is only outside. I will mention the padding. Just for your understanding, see, padding left, I'll call 100 pixels. Notice here, padding means what? See, it is coming this way. Padding left. Okay. See, such a is what? Padding top, I'll call 50 pixel. See, notice here how it looks. See, notice. See, it is coming 50 pixel down. See, if you want this one, what? Padding. Okay, padding right, I'll call 50 pixel. Okay, 50 pixel. Notice here how it looks like. See, from the left it is coming, occupying 50 pixel here. See, like this. It occupies this one. Okay. And if you want the width also, see, I'll call some width is equal to some 50% width. Okay, see if I can execute this. See, it is looking like this. See, padding means what? Inside. Margin means what? Outside. Margin and padding. Hope clear, right, everybody? Margin and padding. Hope clear, everybody? How the what is margin and what is padding? What is margin and what is padding? Clear? What is margin? Margin means outside. See, padding means inside. See, this is one of the interview question, most asked interview question. What is the difference between margin and padding and how this will get executed? Clockwise. This will get executed clockwise. Understanding, everybody? Understood, right, everyone? Okay. This is what we call as what? Box model. Okay, this is what we call as what? Box model. See how you want it to be display your box. See, you know this. See what is margin, what is border, what is padding. See here also. See height, width, padding, margin, all the things. See if I can consider this top margin, top border. top padding, left margin, left border, left padding, right side. See, these are the things. See, this one clear, right, everyone? Clear? See, they will ask what is box model in CSS. Most of the time, they ask this one. Okay, clear, right? Okay, na? See, this is what we call as box model. See, in the box model, you should know what is margin, what is padding. See, when to use margin and when to use padding. If you understood this one, everything will become easy. See, again, repeating. See, hope this one everybody understood. This one everybody understood, right? Okay, clear? How this box model is getting executing? Just I'm quickly copying this one and sharing in the chat box. Okay, just for your information, just quickly passing this in the chat box. Okay, na? Have a look into it. Copy this and paste in the chat box. Okay, everybody quickly. Everybody have a look into it. I just shared it. See, complete. This is what we call as a box model. See, many times they will ask this question: what is box model? And what are the things will be there inside it? What is a border? What is a margin? What is a padding? And what is a width? How the content will get a place? Okay, and what is the priority? What is the first one? What is the second one? What is the third one? See, they will ask like this, order wise. Compulsory. Many times they ask for this one. See, hence I'm giving 2 more minute time. Quickly, everybody recap of this one. If you guys having any questions anywhere, let me know. If you understood this, please mention as a understood. Once you're done with this or once you clear with this, just mention as a clear. Or if you guys having any questions, let me know. Hmm. Clear? All clear, everybody? Good. Okay, this is what we call as what? Box model. Understanding, everybody? Understood, right? See, in this particular box model, okay, see, this is what we call as what? Okay, if you want two blocks, what is question? 50% side by side, what we should use. Okay, yeah. See, I'll just show that one also. See, now this is what one thing we have. Okay. See, the same thing, what I will do, width is equal to 50%, right? Yeah. Let me call this one. Same thing. I will go back. I will use demo 9 of 10. Okay, demo 9.html. Okay. And I'm pasting it all these things. Okay. Pasting it, but I'll not apply any of the property for this one. Okay. Just simple only border property I'll apply 50%. If I can execute, notice demo 9. Notice carefully demo 9.html. See, it is coming, it is occupying only this much. Right? Yeah, but just for understanding, let me ask call background color is equal to yellow. See, 50% it is coming. Okay, na? See, same thing I'll call one more time. Same thing I'll call one more time, but I'll call my division 2, I'll call my division 1 this one. Okay, my division 1. See here, my division 1 is equal to this one. Okay, this one. And my division 2, I haven't written any logic for this, but still I will write like this. Okay, and I'll call this one is equal to some different color, green color or something light green color, whatever the color I wanted, I will apply. See, yellow green or something like this. See, it is coming some different color. Is it coming? But whether it is coming one after another or one beside another. See, one after another is coming. But my requirement, I wanted to same these things due to after exactly this one. Okay, one bullet is coming. See, I want this one. See, notice here, float. I want to float this one to right side. Which one to right side? Which is having yellow color, right? This one I want to be floating right side. See, when I can float this one as a right side, this yellow color is coming what? Right side. But my requirement what? This has to be where? Left side. Correct? This yellow color wala where it has to be? First one, right? It has to be in left side. See, it is a left side. See, it is left side. Okay, it is left side. And where this one has to be? This one has to be there in exact opposite of right side this one. See where here. See, float. Okay, right. See now when I can execute, that will become right side of exact that one. Is it clear? Clear? Okay. This is what we call as a float property. Float property. See, and again, if you want to mention a height also, you can mention height. Say height is equal to some 500 pixel, and here also height is equal to some 500 pixel. Okay, height is equal to some 500 pixel. You can mention this one. See, when I can mention 500 pixel, it will be little bit bigger like this. Okay. See, you guys can do like this. See, one is for what? Uh, See, you guys can come back and one you can create a login page and register page. See here. See, one you can create a login page and one more you can create a register page. See, if you want to create a three part. See, again what I can do? Again coming back and again notice here, I'll call div 3. Okay, div 3. I'll copy this one. Okay, I'll paste it here. I'll call div 3. 50% I'll call what? Let me call 33%. Okay, this one also 33%, and this one also 33%. Okay, it can be generally like this I'm taking. Okay, and here I'll call this one called what? Pink color. Fine. Now execute. See, and this one also should be what? Left side. Okay, this one also should be what? Left side, and then this has to be right side. See, notice? Yes. See, like this. Okay. No, not nothing like the center and all. See, you don't have center. See, first one will be yellow color, second one will be light green color, and third one will be pink color. Okay. Fine. Okay. Just you guys can practice it. Definitely you will come to know. Okay. See, this will be what? Left should be there, and exact left should be this one, and right side should be this one. Like this. Okay, practice it, you will come to know. See, and again, moreover, just rest everything is what? How much you guys will practice this one. See, now just divide these two part, and again, you see, here we have to perform so many logic, but when it can go to Bootstrap, there it is very much easy to perform all the things. Bootstrap, no need of writing external style like this, very much easy. I will show that one. Okay, when it comes to later on. Say I'll call 50-50%, this one also, and I'll call 50-50% this one also. See, copying it and executing it. Clear it, everyone? Understood? Float property. Okay, using the float, you guys can able to work on it, right? All the things, right? Float property. Okay, na? Okay, clear everybody? Okay, I'll give you guys just, I know this one, this will be important for you guys to learn something. Quickly copy this one, execute it. Okay, copy this and execute. Okay, just copying this one here and pasting it in the chat box. Yeah, fast. Mhm. Yes, width is equal to art also I can take it. First. Hmm. Right, everyone? Okay. One second. Yeah. Perfect. See, till now we discussed only this particular thing, right? Yeah. See how we can able to do all these things. Okay. Yes. See now, see when it comes to text level. Okay. When it comes to, I'll call this one demo 10. See, notice here documentation here, removing this, removing that. Okay. Now I'll call this one same thing. Let me call on div tag here. Okay. Same div tag I'll apply, but I don't want. Okay. Let me call this one itself. Okay. See here it. Sorry. Now coming back. Yes. See, can you able to see this one? When I can go to browser, I will call this one called as what demo 10. Okay, demo 10.html. Okay, but the demo 10.html. Fine. I think this might be something changed. I guess rename HTML. Fine. Na? Save it. Demo 10.html. Yeah. See, can I able to see this one everyone? Demo 10.html. Correct? Yeah. See, I want the space between these letters. I want the space between the letter. How to give the space between the letter? See, demo one, okay. Let me see, just listen carefully, everybody. If you want this one, what dot my div one, okay, na? See, what I wanted, I will call this one called what spacing. See, what I will call letter spacing. Okay, letter spacing. I'll call 5 pixel. See, just check the what is coming here. See what is coming? For every letter it is coming 5 pixel space, right? For every letter it is coming 5 pixel space, right? Yes or no? Yeah. I don't want every letter. See, I want this only word I want. See, word spacing. See now only word it will come everywhere. See only word spacing. See if I remove this one, notice here. The changes, notice that one. See, there will not be any space. See, like this. See, if I can mention this one space. See, notice every word will become this different space like this. See, like this. Word spacing we call. Understanding? Understanding? Okay. Yeah. See, I notice here the line between these two lines. See, there is no space. I want that space also. See, I'll call line height. I'll call line height is equal to 20 pixel. I'll call. See, notice here. See, line height will become like this. See, 1 minute. I'll call 50 pixel. See, like this. Can you able to see this one line height? Correct. Yeah. See, we can also mention line height, line space, letter spacing, word spacing, line height, all these things. Correct? Yes or no? See, if you want this one center, see text align, I can mention center. See, now this will become in center. See, like this. It was there, but yes, as we occupied full this one, see, it is printing all these things. Okay, suppose if we taken this one width is equal to 50%. Okay, width is equal to 50%. Then if I can consider this one, see, 50%, it will be like this. See, text align, wherever you want, you can be able to mention this align, text align center. Clear, right, everybody? Clear? Okay. See, each and every line, see, text, I'll call decoration. Uh, Text to decoration, I can able to mention this one called as what? Text to decoration line also we have. Okay, text to decoration line also we have. See here we can able to mention this overline. See when you can mention this called as overline, notice. See everywhere top line is coming. See if I can mention this called as underline. See it is under that will come line here like this. Every word under it will come the line for us. Okay, text to decoration. Either it might be this one or only this one also fine. See text decoration. See like this. What is text decoration? Text to decoration will be what? See whether you want underline or overline or whether you want line anywhere. If you don't want, you can mention none. See, it will not come anything. See, if you want to underline, you can mention underline. Okay. See, justify, it will come in a center alignment. Okay, this one. See, and you want to convert this one to uppercase. How to convert this one to uppercase? We have text. See, notice we can mention text hyphen transformation. See, I want uppercase or I want the lowercase. See, if I want uppercase, you can mention uppercase. See, notice? Yeah. See, everywhere it become uppercase. Is it coming everywhere uppercase? Correct? If you want the lowercase, you can mention lowercase, uppercase, all the things. Understanding everyone? Understanding everybody? If you want to increase the font size, see here we can come back font hyphen size. See, you can come back and mention something 20 pixel. See now check out, it will become increases like this. See 20 pixel. Or if you want to increase some again some more 30 pixel, see you can increase 30 pixel like this. Understanding? And if you want the style, see I'll call font style italic I want. See font style, font size. See you can style anything whatever you want. Understanding? If you want in the different things, see font family also we have. See what this one you want. See you can also mention in that manner. See it will come in that way. Okay, what change you wanted to do that. See what color, what change you wanted. See like this we have many other things are available. See okay. See that all the things we can able to execute it. See like this different style will come for us. See font family we call. Okay. See these are the things like this. We have many other things will be there. Okay. See like this. If you want to cursive letter, you kind of cursive you want. Okay. See just notice find out here somewhere if we can able to find cursive. Okay. Cursive. Just find out somewhere it will be here. If you really okay. See cursive font family. See, when I can check, see, the cursive letter will come. See, like this. Understanding? See, some, yeah, can we have comic font? Comic means it is a type of name. If it is, it will be there inside that. Okay, it will be there inside that. Understanding? See, like this, based on this even font also, we can do anything, whatever we want. See, now copying this one, yeah, we can do that. See, now pasting it this one also with this. Okay, just for your information, copy that and execute in the browser. Okay, this is related to font. All this related to font. Okay, now copying this. See, like this, we have many other things are there. We will see all these things one by one. But meanwhile, just I'm pasting it into the chat box. See, notice here, and also just I'm pushing all the code, whatever I done so far. Okay, see, just stage everything. CSS, commit, coming back, push. See, now I just pushed the code. See, notice here, when I can go back here, yes, we have all the codes here. Okay, yes, we have many other things are there here. Just have a look into this, complete this, and meanwhile, when you're coming back to next class, everybody try to create your own website. Just some beautiful website, just for your practice. Okay, I want everybody to practice this one. Can you guys can do that one, everyone? Can you guys can do that, everybody? I want everybody to practice more. Okay, understanding? Yeah, fine, good, super. See, we have many other things are available. Definitely, I'll explain all the things. Okay, we have more time. I will explain. But as it is a weekend batch, you guys have to practice more and more and more, whatever I discussed today and yesterday. Okay, if you practice, it will be very much easy for you to understand all the things. Yes, it will become difficult. Okay, see, just wanted to check finally. See, whatever I discussed so far, all clear, everyone? Any doubt? All clear, right? Yeah, I will upload even this documentation even to the drive also. Okay, I'll upload this one to drive and I'll give it with you guys. Okay, I'll also upload this one to drive. I'll also upload this one to drive and I'll give the drive link also. Okay, a new folder, web. I'll call complete folder. I'll apply. Yes. Okay, see, now just I'll apply the folder and I'll give you the link with you guys. Just have a look into that. Okay. So till now, whatever we discussed only for HTML and CSS. Still in CSS we have many other things, but still I'll explain all the things. Okay. But in the next class you guys have to be learn complete. For the next class I will be going through the Bootstrap and JavaScript. Okay, Bootstrap and JavaScript. Okay, Bootstrap and JavaScript we guys can learn for the next class basics. I'll start explaining the same thing only. Okay, in the next class, Bootstrap and CSS and JavaScript I will start. Okay, na? See, now here we have. Now what I will do, get the link. Okay, now copying this particular link. Understanding? See, now anybody can use this link. Viewer, anybody can edit also even. Copy this. Okay, sorry. Now again get this link, copying the link, and I am pasting it in the chat box for everybody. Okay. Make sure you guys can just circulate everybody whoever is having it, that one, and have this notes will be just for your practice. Execute. Okay. If any questions, please you guys can. There will be chat box. You guys can reach out to them, or us. We will answer for that. Okay. Meanwhile, just practice yourself more. If you guys having any questions, feel free to ask me now. Do you guys have any questions so far? All clear, everybody? Next topic will be CSS Advanced, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. Bootstrap and JavaScript. These are the things in the next class. Okay, make sure this. Just have a basic idea about all these things. and we'll go with the further advanced part. Okay, fine. If no questions, we are good to wind up the session. If no question, we are good to wind up the session. All clear, right, everybody? No question so far? No question? No question? Okay, fine. Okay, yeah. Shall we wind up the session now? Okay. Fine. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you.